Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Lovely to have you here again today. You may notice, look, I'm in a gold tie. That means it's guest day, it's star guest day. When I'm wearing a gold tie, it means we're making a bit of an effort. We've got a star guest on today, and I'm really honoured to have a very successful YouTuber, very successful business and entrepreneur, Greg Dickerson, who'll be joining us later in the show. And of course, also as every Friday, it's our cash giveaway. We have a cash giveaway every Friday, and there we go. Nice to see in the last few minutes the stocks are popping up. We had a huge sell-off last night with Tesla, but I bought two. I sold my Apple and made a profit there. We're looking to buy Apple back in again. Let's get straight into the trades. It's a big day today on the show. It's very exciting for us, and I've got some other exciting news as well I want to share with all my followers, because I know as I grow, you grow. I tag you, I promote you, I work with you to promote your social media. Alex Hunt is here straight off the bat. I have some exciting news as well, which will help promote all of my TikTokers and YouTubers as well this morning. I will tell you what that is once we get a few more in. Looking posh and fancy. Thank you, guys. I like to make an effort on special days when we have guests on. So it's our first guest, so we want to make a special effort. Right, let's bring in the tickers. Let's bring in the tickers this morning, and let's get things moving. So first of all, let's bring up our price chart right now. Here we go. Whoopsie-daisy. That's better. All right, let's bring that in, and there we go. Right, Mark Corn is here, looking posh. Good morning. Mike, good morning. I hope I was able to tag some of you this morning in the Twitter post. That's my silver members who follow me. So I've tagged you in that Twitter post this morning for our star guest show. And hopefully that will benefit you and drive your Twitter accounts. I will post it later on if you followed me on Instagram and all those other things as well, and TikTok and so on and so forth. I just did Twitter this morning. Right, last night, the big earnings report. I retweeted. There we go, Mark. We're working together. We're promoting each other. Well, guess what, Mark? Guess what, Mark? Oh, I also tagged Muzanella in it as well. I think there was 4 I was able to fit in today. I rotate it because you can't tag everyone. But I only follow people that are my silver members so I can engage with you. Right. Guess who has been accepted on the TikTok creator program? Woo-woo! During the night, I got accepted on the TikTok creator program. Very, very excited. Yep, I am in the TikTok creator program now. I'm a professional TikToker as well as a professional YouTuber. Check me out. And today, of course, is the big cash giveaway. And of course, today, our star guest, Greg Dickerson, will be with us later on. That's great news. Well done. Yes, indeed. I know a lot of TikTok, and it is what it is. But to me, I work hard at it. And there's no sensationalism. There's just me doing my thing every day. So it's great to get recognised. It's great to go over the threshold. And I was a bit worried for a while because I applied for it and it just kept freezing me out. But all of a sudden, Leah said, "Don't worry. One day it'll just happen." And lo and behold, it did. Hey, congratulations, Martyn. Thanks, guys. Thank you. So the benefit to you is, remember, everything I do is try to benefit the family, right? Is as a creator with more views, I'll tag you in and follow you and all that great stuff. Anyone you tagged in that, I followed. There you go. There you go. Marcus followed everybody as well. See how we all grow together? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's like afternoon in Sweden. I drop. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Hey, look at this. Everybody is with me very quick this morning. Congratulations. Thank you, everybody. I worked really hard at it. I know a lot of people scoff and they say TikTok is daft. TikTok reaches hundreds of thousands of people. I've had a couple of videos with 250,000 views. It's a great way to engage, promote your YouTube, promote your business. You know, I know there's a lot of nonsense on it. There is. But you've got to use all this stuff to your advantage, to change the world, to reach people, to do good things. It's what it's all about, all right? Now, let's have a look at Apple. What's Apple doing this morning? It's up 2.92. I sold my position last night. I sold it around about here. Didn't get the best price. but I made a profit, and I bought Tesla. And I'm expecting, hoping that Apple will fall back like everybody else seems to after great reports. I don't know. I'm new in the market. We'll ask Greg about that today. We'll ask him about that. Buy the rumour, sell. I'll put a note of that. Buy the rumour. And don't forget, if you want to put a question to Greg, drop it in the chat and I'll add it to the list, all the best ones. Buy the rumour. Let me just put that down there as well. There we go. Buy the rumour. Let's see what he feels about that. Like my jokes, nonsense on TikTok. Yeah. Well, you know what I mean. A lot of people, you got great content. You're always telling jokes. It's good, but you know what I mean. The people that just shake their bums and just walk around naked. You know what I'm talking about. But at the end of the day, that's what they want to do. That's their talent. That's what they want to do. That's fine. Do what you like. Engage with your audience however you want to. It's your world. That's the beautiful thing about all of this. You can create your own world, live in your own bubble, and do what's right for you. If it makes you happy, makes other people happy, and you engage in, what the heck? All right, okay. Let me just show you this morning. This is Greg Dickerson's YouTube channel. Do nothing right now. Don't go and subscribe to it just now because we want to do it during the show. Just in case you were thinking about subscribing to it right now. You may have already done so, but don't do it right now. I want to do it during the show so we can see our team all engaging, all right? So let's save that. We've only got a small family. If everyone does it now, we've got nowhere to go, all right? On the Finding Naked Ladies on TikTok. Yeah, we know. It's all good. Right. Okay, look at the portfolio right now. Let's go over to the trading screen. How much Tesla did you buy? I bought 2 shares. 2 shares. Not a lot, I know, but 2 shares nevertheless. Let me have a look at it. I'll show you now. My Tesla position is 7 shares now. 7 shares. So there it is. We'll see what happens. Right, if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. We might have some guests today from Greg's channel. You never know. Who knows? Oh, here he is. Look at that. Good morning. Yeah, this is especially for you, Greg. There he is. Greg Dickerson is in the channel. I just told everybody not to subscribe to your YouTube channel just yet. They have to wait till you get here because we've only got a small family. But they are all going to be here, though, and they'll all subscribe to you. They'll all follow you. They'll all engage with you, and that's what it's all about. There we go, Greg Dickerson, superstar. I'm really excited to have Greg in. So you are my first guest on the Day Trader. So I thought, right, gold tie. Greg makes lots of money with his real estate. He's very successful, of course, with his crypto and his online courses. And he's been very gracious to give up his time this morning and agree to be on my show. So, in fact, I'll say our show because it's our show, really. There you go. Wonderful stuff. Good morning, Greg. Hi, everyone. I am looking forward to visiting with you today. There we go. Wonderful stuff. Looking sharp, Mark. Well, I'm an Englishman, and we were taught that when you have a guest, you put your tie on. I never wear a tie. There you go. Good morning, Greg. Look at that. Everybody's on it. Remember, I made a joke the other day with Greg, and I said, Greg, we are the most engaging channel on YouTube. And he smiled at me because he thought, you've only got 2,000 subscribers. You're this tiny little channel. But we are, aren't we, guys? We are small, but we are passionate. That's the thing. We are small, but we are passionate. We are engaging. We are involved. Bring your questions, any topic, entrepreneurship, real estate, markets and crypto. We do have some great questions sent in by our members. I told you we would. There you go, Greg. And we're looking forward to it. And we're looking forward to having you as a guest on the show. All right. This is where Greg will be. Let me share with you how it works. This is our interview screen. There we go. Right in there. Greg will be in there. He knows how it works. He wears his headphones, which is the biggest issue that we have with guests. Not on this channel. I've never done it before. But on the Martyn Lucas channel, I've had lots of guests. And they'll phone in without their headphones on. And we have all kinds of feedback issues and looping. But Greg is an expert at it. He does it all the time. He's interviewed lots of people. So there we go. Greg will be in there. And we'll have a chat together very, very shortly. Great. All right, let's get into the trades this morning, and we are powerful traders. Yes, we are. I tell you what, Greg, we are small, but we have some very large investors here. We have Muzanella, who buys hundreds of contracts sometimes, hundreds of thousands of dollars. We have Abdullah, our sheikh from Saudi Arabia, signing off. See you soon. Take care. Lovely. Thanks, Greg. See you in a bit. There we go. And we look forward to that. And yeah, we do. We have some very big traders. And we have some small traders who invest a couple of bucks. And it's those traders that mean just as much to me as anyone else. Because that couple of bucks means everything to them, as it does to me, to be honest. I mean, you know, I'm on TikTok. I'm going to get a couple of cents a day. But, you know, I'll take it and I'll work hard for it. And I'm okay with it. Right, Tesla is down right now. We've got... just coming up to the timer, of course, we've got the cash giveaway as well today for all our members. I'm going to start raising the bar on that, you know. I'm going to say you've got to have liked, you've got to have commented, you've got to have jumped on your up and down 3 times, tagged every single post I've ever created, liked everything I've ever created, watch everything forwards and backwards, then you can be in the prize draw. I've got to make you earn your prize money. Alex, when interest rates shoot up to, say, 7%, and everyone tries to sell their houses, how does that affect your portfolio regards negative equity and people not being able to pay their rent? That's a good question. When interest rates shoot up, say 7%, and everyone tries to sell their houses, does that affect your portfolio regards negative equity and people not being able to pay their rent? There you go. Let me copy and paste that. Alex Hunt has got a question. I love it. Alex Hunt is coming with a question. Let me drop that into there. There we go. That's from Alex. Obviously, you can do this live in the show. It'll be with us later around the cash giveaway time. All right. So there we go. We'll have that. And let's have a look. How much you think Tesla will go up? I've no idea, but I'm not greedy. I'll make any sort of profit. I'm fine with it. It should go up to 11. It should surpass 1,200. To be honest, where it was before. That earnings report last night was insane. It was fantastic, and thank you everyone who joined a couple of nights ago. Thank you everyone who joined me, and thanks everyone who joined me for the Apple one last night as well. It's great. I really enjoy those. It's a social it's like a nighttime out together, right? We have a beer. Cheers, everybody. And, you know, it's cool. Right, 15 minutes to go. Let's bring up the clock. Here we go. 15 minutes before the pre-market begins. 3 thumbs up from me. See, how do you get better than that? I tagged Bill in there. He's a silver member. He got my post this morning tagged in with Greg, so that's what it's about. If you're a silver member, you get all those benefits. TikTok revenue for creators is apparently very good, better than YouTube, so I'm told. No, that's not correct, Mark. It isn't correct at all. Shall I explain how that works? Right, this is the real deal. As you know, what you hear on this channel is true. A lot of people like to make up stuff because it makes them look good, or they get a big YouTube channel out of it, or everybody watches. It's like if I did a video telling everyone, I know the secret that if you do this, Bitcoin will go to $1 million, you know, this kind of stuff. And if you go on TikTok, you'll earn $1 million. And if you do this, and if you do that, you know, this show is a little bit different than that. You know, this show tells you the truth. So let me tell you how it works. How it works with TikTok, all right? In fact, I'll put that here, TikTok revenue. Ask that question again, Mark, later on, versus YouTube. I will give you that answer. I will give you that answer, and I will tell you the truth. If it was insane, why did it crash? It should have gone up like Apple. No. The reason is, The reason is, in my opinion, is the biggest issue with Tesla was the supply issue. Supply is slowing down their growth. That's all. But that is merely, in my opinion, an opportunity to buy in. It's merely an opportunity to buy in because at the moment they are having some restrictions with delivery, as is everyone with the chip shortages. Everyone is facing that issue. Didn't seem to affect Apple very much, but it did affect car manufacturers. So that's why. But at the end of the day, you see where the company's going, and I'm extremely bullish. But what I will do, obviously, you should never have more than 20-30% of any stock in your portfolio. It's at 16 now. If, as you can see there, if that pops up today, which it might do, then I certainly will sell some off the top. And what I would like to do, my hope is it'll pop up today. I can sell one share, maybe two, maybe make $100 a share, make $200. That's going to get me one and a half free shares of Apple. That's how I constantly accumulate my position. Even though my stocks are all-time low right now, all-time low, if we look at it, as you can see, all-time lows, I have more shares. I have more and more shares. So when times turn round, I'm in a great position. All it's about is accumulating more shares without spending any money. Good morning, Dr. Nathan Smith. Look at this. Wow! We've got 20 likes without me even asking before the first horn. That's incredible. That's a record. Are you here for Greg Dickerson? Are you here for my fancy tie? Are you here to hear news of my TikTok? I'm now I want congratulations from everybody now. I just told a few of you. I am now accepted on the TikTok Creator Fund. Not only am I a professional YouTuber, I'm a professional TikToker too. I'm in the Creator Fund. So there we go. Everybody, I did it. I'm in. Took me 4 months, and it took a few weeks of wondering what was going on. I thought my account was froze or something was weird with my application. But anyway, it's like I'm still waiting for my new car 8 months later. Yeah, congratulations. Thank you, mate. It's not quite as spectacular as your fellow, but it's my world right now. It's funny, isn't it? My world used to be selling out theatres. Then I was a big deal. I was a big deal in my world. And now I'm excited if I get followers on TikTok. It's crazy, right? But the world is what you create it. You live where you live. You're happy about what you're happy about. I mean, that's a phrase, right? You're happy about what you're happy about. And that's it. I'm happy about what I'm happy about. And that's it. I'll take it. It's progress. Every step is progress. You're right. That's right. Hello, Bill and Sean. I can't really believe it. Look at that. I'm just going to do it anyway because it's habit. Subscribe, ring the bell, because if you're watching the repeat, there we go. Maybe it's Greg. We got some Greg Dickerson fans in today who have thumbs up the video. I don't know. But anyway, I'll take it all day long. Thank you very much. And if you are a guest to our platform and you become a member, this is what happens. If you become a subscriber, this is what happens. And if you go in the super chat, just because you like highlighting your name and supporting my channel and just getting me to stand on my head, because when I get a super chat, that's what I do. I stand on my head. Here is the super chat, and that's only a test. The day trader is me. I didn't just give myself $50. Look underneath, it says this is a test. So there you go. All right, wonderful stuff. So we're getting excited, and let's see if we get any subscribers today. We're 2021. We're looking at the chart, see if we gain some subscribers today. We're off and running. And let's get into the show. Every step is progress, just like your stocks and shares. Absolutely. Every step is progress. It is indeed. All right. Good stuff. Okay, so if you've just tuned in, we've got the Greg Dickerson interview today. That's why I'm wearing a gold tie. I'm also celebrating because I'm now in the TikTok program. We got some messages coming in here. Message automatically held for review, hidden by the. Oh, there we go. Some comments coming in from spam. We get that every day, right? Right. Where are we now? We've got 8 minutes to go. We're up on the hour. We are down on the day at the moment. We're looking for Tesla. The two big things looking this morning is Tesla dropped back last night. Big sell-off last night. I bought 2 shares last night. I bought one earlier. Let me show you. I mean, look. Tesla just keeps going up. Expectations keep going up. So why wouldn't the stock price go up? Simple as that. Their earnings keep going up. Their profits keep going up. Despite COVID, they're always growing. They're always doing well. They're talking about new factories. I mean, seriously, it's phenomenal. And 41% of analysts say buy. I don't ever go on analysis. I have to be honest, what analysts say. It's good to see it. I mean, if it says 100%, it's great. But I don't make my trades on that. Do you... That's a good question for Greg, isn't it? Do you follow analysts? Can't spell that. Analysts. There we go. Yes, I bought one at 894 and then one at 835. So right now, 821, I'm out of the money on both of those. It continued to drop. And if it goes lower, I'd buy another one. But I only have right now in my buying power 582. But I would buy another one and then I'd sell it as it pops up. Right, 5 minutes 54. So thumbs up the video, everybody. Let's see if we can go past 20. I can't see it's possible. We've got 16 watching, so I can't see that. Right, over on TikTok, Bitcoin to 29,000 could happen. We'll ask our guest today. What does he think? Over there on TikTok, welcome Lee. Lovely to have you here on TikTok today. Thank you ever so much indeed. Thank you to all my TikTokers. I've just entered the Creator Fund. Thank you ever so much for being part of that with me. Thank you for making that possible. Just under 14,000 followers on TikTok now. I gain one every 3 minutes. So thanks to all my TikTokers this morning. You're absolutely great. Do I think Bitcoin will hit 29,000? Anything's possible. And we're going to discuss that today. 21. Thank you, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Musanella, we have to have a conversation this weekend. Want to talk about your channel. Want to talk about your very exciting project that you've been involved with. You know what it is. And I am looking forward to talking about it and having it on the show. So we need to have a conversation about that. And I'm sure our traders will love it. I know you. Are you all ready to go with that now? You know what I'm talking about. And he says 21. Yeah, look at that. We went over 20 and we didn't even ask this morning. I mean, like, unbelievable. I mean, seriously. That's never happened before. We've never gone over 20 before. And it's funny. We didn't even try this morning. We just kind of sat back and relaxed, and it just happened. I mean, that's insane, right? Anyway, it is what it is. Okay. Right. Now then, yes, you're good to go. Right. Yes. So let's have a conversation over the weekend. Let's discuss it all and work out a plan of action, a plan of strategy to bring something very exciting to all our day traders, members of the family. We should say only members can get involved in it. We'll let you know. Want to ask Greg if he thinks the residential market could face another bubble crash. There we go. Let me copy that. That's from Mike. There we go. That's from Mike. Nice one. Let me do that. Want to ask. That's from Mike. Okay. Thank you very much. I bought on a Tesla share. Ooh, nice. If everyone buys Tesla this morning, it might go up. Yeah, I strongly believe that Tesla could be the biggest company in the world with the batteries and the solar. There's so much more behind Tesla. It's not just the cars, and the cars are exploding. I mean, seriously, they're exploding. I was a home builder all my life, so curious. Oh, by the way, thanks for everyone's pictures that were sent in for the new mugs. Many of you have received your mugs now. So if you've not yet sent me a picture in, please send your picture in to me. Tesla's making a phone. I hear that. I don't see any proof of that, but everyone's talking about that. Yeah, I mean, you keep seeing that everywhere. Is Tesla making a phone? I mean, you keep seeing it. I've never seen Elon mention it or anything official. So I don't know. But yeah, there's so much more to Tesla. So for me, it's a one-way thing. It's up. Simple as that. I really believe in that. Anyway, that's up to you to decide. Apple right now, we got 1.5 minutes to go. Apple is up 3%. So I sold early. Clearly, I sold early. But remember, it's not about time in the market. Are you making a profit? Are you growing? Are you moving forward? That's all that matters. You don't compete against anyone else. Don't try and rinse every cent out. Of course, if I knew the future, if we knew the future, we'd all do things very differently, right? Okay, here we go. 1 minute before the pre-market. Let's see what happens. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Tesla is now making robots that look human with a TV face doing human work on the warehouse floors. I didn't know that. That's something new. Another thing then. I didn't know about that one. All right, here we go. Getting ready for a good morning. Just under a minute to go now before the bell goes. Could be good this morning. Okay, here we go. Just 10 seconds to go. Caden Youngquist is here. Oh, I like your screen there, mate. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're off to the. Here we go. The pre-market is now open. We're watching to buy back with Apple. Of course, if it keeps on going, will I feel down? Well, a little bit. Yeah, of course, I wanted to make a good profit on that, and I did. I made a profit on it, not much, but I made a profit. What I want to see now is it drop back down. That's what I want to see, okay? So I can buy back in. That's what I want to see. And what I want to see is Tesla pop up so I can then use that money to sell 1 or 2 shares and then buy the Apple. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. That's my play this morning. And Caden is here. Fantastic. Walking in my office. I'll fire up my computer and watch a show on it. Nice one. Caden, let's have a look at Caden's image there. Let's have a look at that one. Let me have a little look, make it bigger. Apple had amazing earnings. Hood, I'm done with. Oh, yeah. Hood is for the future. All right? Hood is for the future, no question. Right, let's talk about Hood a minute. Right? This is what typically happens. People like to bash Hood. I understand that, but look at it without a negative. Oh, AH just subscribed. Hey, look at that. Thank you, AH. Thank you ever so much indeed for your subscription. Lovely stuff. Thanks a lot. All right. Now then, we're looking at here flexing my business profit in my hand. Look at the earnings. They're a new business on the public market, and their earnings was up. They didn't quite hit their expectation, but their earnings are up. They're going in the right direction, and by quite a considerable amount. All right? By quite a considerable amount. So at the end of the day, it was down $1.31 a share. In fact, lower than that, down $2 a share. This time it is down 60 cents a share. That is good. They are moving in the right direction. They're a new company and they are moving in the right direction by quite some margin. They only just missed their earnings call, but it's good. They're moving in the right direction. All right, so I'm still in with Hood. I still love the platform. My opinion hasn't changed, and Tesla continues to fall. If Tesla goes down to 500, I'll use my last bit of money to buy one, most certainly. In fact, I might actually, because the way Apple's going at the moment, Apple's still, it's just dropping back now. I'm getting ready to buy Apple now. Let's have a look. I bought Apple in at 158. 158. Let's look at it. I bought more than that. I bought it 158, 100 market, but let's scroll down. 2 shares at 158, 1 share 159, 5 shares 165. Oh, Boo Boo Dad just subscribed. Where's all these subscribers coming from? We're taking off this morning. This is good. We're having a really big morning here. We've just gained 2 subscribers. Just like that's pretty good. That was quick. Anyway, fantastic. We appreciate that a lot. I wonder if that's Greg. I wonder who that is promoting that. Anyway, 148 is my lowest position I bought into Apple. So if we can get a drop this morning and buy our shares, 148, let's see if we can buy back. All right. Yay, BBUB. BBUBU. B-boo-boo. I think that's right. All right. We're doing well this morning. So we are now looking for the next timer. We're looking for 15 minutes before the bell. I'm following Greg. He said, you good, so I trust him. Well, that's great. Boo Boo Dad, how are you? Lovely. Welcome to the Martyn Lucas Studios. Just to give you full disclosure about who I am. I am a day trader by day, but I'm the world piano man. I'm actually the world piano man, as voted by Elton John. I do live concerts here every night. This is my TV studio you see behind me. And for our members, I do live concerts and live performances. In fact, I've got a live show tonight. There is no closing bell tonight, folks. There is no closing bell tonight as I am doing a in-person gig. I can't be here. I've got 2 nights sellout in a theatre in Dallas tonight. 2 nights sellout. I'm very excited about it. 122 is my low position in Apple. Nice one. So did you make money last night? Did you sell, take a profit? I'm following Greg. That's nice. We got one of Greg's guests here this morning. We welcome him into the show. All right. Greg will be our guest today on the show, and we're very much looking forward to it. All right. So today, as every Friday, we have a cash giveaway. Of course, we have a cash giveaway. It's for our members, and if you want any of the free stocks we give away, what we do here is we're about a community. We're a small channel, Boo Boo, but we are a community of people that support each other and take care of each other. And what we do is we have brokerages give me lots of stuff to promote them, but I give it back to you. So here are my all links. You can join our TikTok, you can join our Twitter account and all that stuff. If you become a member, Martyn, do you have a road crew to help set up your concerts? No, I don't, and it's why I'm now coming to the end. I've only got 4 gigs left. It's all now on YouTube, and And here is the invitation to join. Members today, we're giving away a cash prize. So there it is. The invitation to join is in the chat. We have an NFT collection which members can trade here in the live chat. That's good. Here is my NFT collection. There it is there for you. Test the robot, link above. Thank you, mate. Thanks to Greg, I found such a great channel. Greg is a wonderful, wonderful person to come on our show. He's a big YouTuber, and we're honoured to have him as our first guest on the Day Trader. We're a very, very young channel, but we're very passionate, and we're a very engaging channel. That's what we're about here. So fantastic. And Greg is our star guest on the show today. This is Greg's YouTube channel, and later on all my members will be subscribing to him. I know they will. I don't even have to I have to sort of hope. They will. I know they will. It's what we do. Our channel that's what our channel does. It supports everybody. It's what we're about. All right? And everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real portfolio. This is my real money on the screen. This is my life savings. It was at 58,000. It's now at 36. This is it. If it goes to zero, I've got no money in the bank. This is it. Oh, Boo Boo Dad. Oh, we got a member. Boo Boo Dad has just become a member. Wow, he became a member. Wow, look at that, everybody. Congratulations. Everybody welcome in. This is fantastic. We said today could be an exciting day for the channel. And Boo Boo Dad has become a member of the channel. Well, one thing that we do, Boo Boo, is when I'm off, we are live every day, and as a bronze member, look at this, everybody, we're blowing up. We've never had a day like this. This is fantastic. As a bronze member, as the World Piano Man, on your birthday, if you come in here, I will sing you happy birthday. If you're a silver member, you get a 20-minute concert. People hire me $500 to go online for 20 minutes to do that. You get that for free as a member. It could be a fundraiser event. We're doing it for Bill shortly to raise him money for his scooter. He needs a scooter to get around. So if you're a silver member, you get that. If you're a bronze member, you get happy birthday in the show. Silver members also get on the homepage of my YouTube channel. And when I'm off air, which is hardly ever, I promote all of my followers. I engage in all of my followers, and I support all of them, and we all grow together. In fact, on TikTok, I gain a follower every 3 minutes. And last night, congratulations to me, everybody. Last night, I got accepted on the TikTok Creator Fund, so I'm very, very excited. Right, Tesla's popping up. Okay, right, now then, Apple is still going up. So if I'd left my money on Apple, would have done just as well right now. What we want to see is, I need to add, oh, by the way, you just reminded me, I need to add Boo Boo to the raffle because we're doing a cash giveaway today. Here we go. This is the cash raffle, up and running. Yep. Okay, here we go. This is the, hang on a minute. Let me show you. This is the cash raffle today. Here it is. And we've just got a new member, one of Greg's friends, one of Greg's followers and subscribers. So I've got to add Boo Boo. So let me add that now. Boo, and it's Boo Boo Dad. Whoops. Predictive text, we all love it, right? Boo Boo, whoops. Could it be flipping heck? Look at this. Could you believe? Boo Boo, flipping hell, Dad. All right. There we go. Dave Mottram, if he was here, wouldn't be happy. There we go. Boo Boo Dad. Now, it says you got a 3.45% chance of winning. You don't, because we leave our old members on here in case they subscribe back, so I don't have to add them. But if they're not members and they win, they won't get the prize, okay? So just only members can win, and that's today's raffle. That's coming up very shortly. Very excited about that. Boo Boo's just joined us. He's one of our guests from from Dr. Sorry, I'm just reading something on the screen now. I got caught out there. He's reading, I beg your pardon, from Greg Dickerson. I do apologise. I was sidetracked then. I had my brain went a bit fuzzy. Apple is still popping up, which is great, of course, but I'd like to see it go down so I can buy in. But Tesla, it was going up for a minute. Look at that. I'm not worried though. Even though my portfolio is going to mush right now, it's okay. I believe in Tesla. I've not got any leverage. I've not borrowed any money. It's fine. I feel like it's my birthday. Found a great channel with very nice vibe. Piano concerts and even cash raffle. Yeah, absolutely. I'm the world piano man. I've performed in 195 countries. I do 14 different voices in 7 languages. And if we get a flurry of super chat at the end of the show, I'll go and sing you one of my own songs from my piano. This is what I do, and we pump out the haze and the lights, and everything gets going. I go over here. There you go. How are you? And so if we get a flurry of super chat at the end, just like imagine it's like a piano bar, I will actually go back and do a little bit for you. I do a few voices. I can do 14 different vocal impressions. Pavarotti, Elton John, Paul McCartney, quite a few. 14 voices in 7 different languages. Anyway, so there you go. When it's your birthday, make sure you come back and get happy birthday. You will see how the chat blows up for you. You will get the most engaging response. You will feel most loved on our channel. That's what we're about. We really do appreciate everybody that joins us. We're only small, but we're growing. We're growing, but we'll always be a small family. The way we feel will always be small. Right, Tesla is down. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? If it goes any more, I'll buy a fractional share. If it goes any more, I'll buy a fractional share. I can't do nothing yet with Apple, of course. Apple is up and up and up. But it's Martyn's show. There we go. This is my trademark. And one of our members, he'll tell you, he'll protect the show. Our family do protect the show. A man of many talents. Thanks, guys. Hey, Vapes. We got Vapors here this morning. Can you sing She loves you in German? Ja, ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut. She liebe dich. She liebe. Do I get a tip for that? I can do you the voice of Paul McCartney, of course. Yes, I can. He's thinking, oh my God, I thought I'd throw a curveball. There's no way he can sing She Loves You in German. She liebe dich. Oh yeah, check it out. Yes, I can. That's got to be worth a super chat. The White House wants to regulate crypto as a matter of national security. Is that right? I have no idea. Is that right? My missus is... your missus is German. Guten Abend, Alex Hunt Dahmer. Mein Name is Martyn Lucas. Ich Pianospieler und the Day Trader. Dankeschön, guten Abend, and there you go. Our Italian ladies are here in the house. We've had a great start to the day. All right, we're just... that's about my limit as well. Well, you've got more responsibility. You should be learning German. I don't have to, but you should. So sort yourself out. Sort yourself out. What's going on? All right. Greg Dickerson will be coming up later. Greg has already shared our channel. We already have 2 subscribers from his channel. One of them this morning has just become a member, and Boo Boo Dad, who is now in the raffle. I know many of you will be upset about that because it means you have less chance of winning, but that's what it's all about, right? Here we go. Here is the raffle. We'll be doing the cash giveaway. You need to be here. We're doing it shortly. We've also got Greg on the show today, so stick with us. It's a big day today. It'll be a slightly shorter show today, because I have to get off. I've got an in-person 2-night sellout gig in Dallas. and I am doing 2-night sellout, so which means I have to get off and set up the show. I won't be here. Also was get info from Greg. Is that Raffle G? Yeah, we got great news. We got great information coming up with Greg. Raffle G, are you one of Greg's friends? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much indeed for being on the big show. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the World Piano Man, and by day, I'm the day trader. Okay, cool stuff. Raffle G. I think he may be a friend of Greg's. Martyn, you are so elegant this morning. Thank you very much indeed. It's because we got a star guest. And we got several things to tell you this morning. This morning, I got accepted onto the TikTok Creator Fund, which means I'm a professional. I subscribe to Greg's channel. Wonderful stuff. We've got to get... Greg sent me here as well. Just sub. Iris Morris, good morning to you. We got a... Wonderful. Look at this. Fantastic. We got a big morning this morning. We're going to be doing a cash giveaway for all our members. If you want to get all the free stuff that I give away every day, I give free stuff away every day. Here are all the links. This is the Discord, the Twitter, the free stocks and shares. And today we are honouring our guest, Greg Dickerson. He's live on the show. This is his YouTube channel. We're all going to support him in a minute and subscribe to his channel and be part of it. And there we go. Welcome to the Martyn Lucas Studios. This is our TV studio here, and we're just waiting for the bell to go. I was voted as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio, and in the evenings I do theatre concerts and shows here. And by the day, I like to trade live with you, and we bring a family together. What we're all about, we're a very small channel, we're very, very new, but what we're about is supporting each other as a community. All right. Today we're doing a cash giveaway, and if you want to be part of that, it's for members only. It's the only way we can control it. Here is the invitation to join as a member. If you want to go and check out any of our free stocks, I gave you the link there, the all links button. And our silver members, we also promote you on all our social media. I interact with you and share with you everything. It's what I do. It's what we're all about. Right. The stocks right now, we've got just over 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes to go. We're down on the day 1.28. Crypto, Ethereum is down 0.87. I vote you the World Trader Man. Be the World Piano Man and the World Trader Man. That would be good, wouldn't it? Is that possible? Could that even be possible? Brilliant. Bitcoin. Morning, Paddy, Alexa. Bitcoin is down today, but moving up. Apple is up now, 3.48%. Oh, I sold it off the top. I took some, not this much, but nevertheless, what a great shame. I've not had any stocks rising for ages. I did take a profit, but I could have made a lot more. It is a shame, but I took my profit. I thought, what I thought would happen, it just goes to show there are no patterns here. I thought Tesla had great earnings, and it dropped. Everyone seems to be having good earnings and then dropping. I thought Apple would be the same, and that's not what happened. It's not what happened. So nevertheless, it is what it is. Right. Today, the record to beat for the cash giveaway is, we did it last night. We had one last night. The record now is, let me look at it. The record for the cash giveaway, why can't I see it? 86. 86 is now the chat rate limit we have to beat for the cash giveaway. So when we get nearer the cash giveaway, let me show you how it works. This is the chat rate. This is the chat rate. We're at 4 right now, which is very good considering we're not even trying, which is very, very good indeed. Let me bring it up a minute. We just changed the screen there. Hang on. Let me try that again. Okay, here we go. The chat rate is already on 4, which is very, very good considering we're not even promoting it at the moment, right? Right, let me show you. Here's the chat rate. It's on 4 right now. And we have a bit of fun in the chat. It's when we all say comments and and we copy and paste. We blow up the chat. It's a lot of fun. And if that today, don't do it now. It needs to go to 86 or more. It needs to hit 87. All right, to set a new record. We set a new record every single time that we do a cash giveaway for the members only. That's where it has to go. All right, and if that happens, then we will give away the cash prize. All right, great, innit? I love it. So much fun that is. One of the highlights of my week, the cash giveaway on Friday. Even though I'm giving money away, I love doing it. Doc, Nathan, are you fine? Let's bring in all the comments. Alicia, hi Martin, I'm happy to be here. So this is where everyone just puts random... Yeah, that's the part where everybody puts nonsense in the channel. But it's not supposed to be nonsense. It's supposed to be things like, I want to win. I vote Martin Lucas, day trader of the world, like Bill just said, or give us the money, or I know, let's all sub Greg Dickerson, you know, let's all support our guest. All nice stuff like that. Nice stuff. We want positive energy coming in, and when it goes over 86, that's when we confirm the cash giveaway is happening. It's what we have to do, right? You have to earn it, right? Set just under set. Oh, look at it. Tesla's moving up. Did I do the right thing? Here he is, Dr. Nathan Smith. Come on. Now, what I want to see is Apple drop, which it's not, so I can buy back in. All right. And I want to see Tesla pop up to give me the money to do it. All right. That is the plan. Okay. That is the plan. So I tell you what, we're doing extremely well this morning. We've gained several subscribers. Greg Dickerson, I apologize, has been sending over his... oh my, wow! we just jumped like 30 subscribers. I've never seen anything like it. Everybody, look at this. Look, I wish I'd showed you that. Look, we were at 2020. We went up 11 subscribers in 1 second. We went up 11 subscribers in 1 second. Fantastic! This is great. Very exciting. Right, Tesla's going up. 5 minutes to go. Here we go. Let's get excited now. It's a big day on the show today. Big day on the show. We're very, very excited about it. We're going to give a cash prize away. And Tesla is now moving up. Oh, yes. Come on. Get in, Tesla. I sold my Apple. I took a profit. Now, Apple continued to rise. I've not gained the profit from Apple, but I think I might be wrong. I'm always wrong. I think the bigger profit is in Tesla. 5 minutes to go. Was I right? Was I right? Will I take a profit? Yes. Yes, because if I'm going to grow a portfolio without putting any money in, I have to. If you've just joined us and you want the cash prize and you want Tesla to go up and you want Greg Dickerson to get 1 million subscribers today from our channel, click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. We've got 28 likes now. We've never had 20 is our record to open the show. Normally, like 20, 21, 22. Let's see. Can we get in the next 4 minutes? Can we get 30 likes on the video? Is it possible? 2 more likes. Can we get 2 more likes in the next 2 minutes, 3 minutes? Can we get to 30 likes before the bell goes? Very exciting. Tesla is now moving up. Right, the portfolio is moving up on the live position. Right, come on, 1 more like. 30 would be a record. Oh, we've got 30 likes. Fantastic. This is amazing. 31 likes. Okay, we're up now 1% on the hour. This is our best ever show, our best ever day. Greg Dickerson is our guest, our star guest. It's why I'm wearing a gold tie. And our channel is on fire. We've never had a day like this. All my members, all of my subscribers and family that have been here from the beginning, this is our biggest ever day. Let's invite those of you that want to be a member to get all the benefits. You can be there's lots of benefits to you. You get in the cash prize today. I promote you on social media. I work for you when I'm off air. I tag everyone in posts. I share everything to your channels. You can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. You can sponsor the channel. Lots of benefits for our members. On your birthday, I sing you happy birthday as the World Piano Man. I will also do you a live concert, which can be a fundraiser for free. For free, as a member, as a silver member, you get that concert for free. Bill's having a fundraiser concert. All right. Tonight, there's no closing bell because I'm doing an in-person gig. It's 2 nights, sellout theatre, so I can't be here, so there's no closing bell. This is our show of the day. We're at 33 likes. 33 likes is a record for our show. Whoa, Tesla is now popping up. Okay, we got just 2 minutes to go. We're starting to climb. Smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Let's make some money this morning for everybody. Here goes Tesla. It's going green. Here we go. It's up 0.5%. Right, 828. I bought in last night. I want to sell around 900, but if it keeps pumping, I'll leave it for a while. Right, my overall portfolio is rising up now. We are up 1% on the hour. On the day, we are now rising up. We got 34 likes. It's a record, everybody. We've just broke the record. We've got 34 likes. For this time of the day, our all-time record is 53 likes. That was the Robinhood IPO day because we were on air for 11 hours. We've never had over 34 is a record before the bell goes. Here we go. We got 1 minute, 20 seconds to go. And we're now lifting up. The portfolio is down on the day, but we are rising. 35 likes. Our all-time record is 53. I reckon we're going to beat 53 likes today. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute to go. Tesla is now lifting up. Are we going to make some money? Let's check. Yes, it's moving up. Is Apple falling back down? No, it's still rising. Let's look at our crypto. Crypto is down 0.76. Bitcoin is down 0.37, but moving up. It's 12% of my portfolio right now. The overall portfolio is still down, but on the hour, we are doing 36 likes now. Smash the like button if you've just come on in. Subscribe and ring the bell. I want all my members, all my original founder members, to blow up the super chat right now. Blow up the comments right now, and welcoming all our guests. They're blowing up our channel. This must be the guests of Greg Dickerson. We appreciate it so much. Smash the like. 10 seconds to go. Here we go. The bell's going to go. Let's blow up the comments, everybody. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. We're on fire now. The has gone. Let's clear the timers. Let's go back to the hour. The hour up 1.13. Tesla is now up 0.25%. 831. The best one, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, the best. Oh, the chat is now starting to blow up today. Fantastic. Hello, we've got LFG just joined us. We've got hello from YouTube comment. Welcome to you, all our guests here this morning. Big Al is flooding the chat. Smash the likes. We are blowing up this morning. This is our best ever show on the Day Trader. We're at 36 likes. Tesla is now moving up. Can I make a trade today? I'd like to get it, but oh, it's on fire. It's on fire. Spoke just became a subscriber to the channel. This is so exciting. I've never had, we're at 2,034 subscribers. We've gained 14 subscribers since we started the show. We've never had a show like this. This is our first show. Greg Dickerson is a legend, absolute legend. He's blowing up the channel. This is why I've got my gold tie on today. I told you it was going to be a great day. Such great things coming. Tesla just dropping back. And there's no way I'm selling my position to Tesla. No way. Rivian is down now, 2.41. Hey, Big Al. Big Al, that's Big Al's, of course, catchphrase. He's in the chat. Let's invite all our new guests here today. Let me give them the all links button. All my brokerages give me stuff to promote their brokerages, but what I do is I give it back to you. I have lots of stocks to give away. I have lots of crypto to give away. They're all under the all links button. If you go to the all links button, it's in the super chat. There it is, right there for you as well. I'll also put it on the screen, make it easy for you. Here is the all links button. Do I have an all links button? I don't know if I've ever created an all links button, have I? I don't think I have. I haven't. So let me put it in the super chat. Thank you ever so much for my coffee. We're having the best day ever today. Yeah, it's great. That's Leah bringing in my coffee. All right. Okay. So Virgin Galactic is also up today. Tesla is up now, nearly 1%. Get in, I told you. Best company in the world. 37 likes now. Fantastic. Now, this is for all of my, if you go in the chat right now, martynlucas.com/links. martynlucas.com/links. There is the link right there for all the cash giveaway, all our social media. Any one of my members, if you become a member on today's show, I will follow all my silver members. I will tag them in my posts. I will promote them on my viral videos on TikTok. Again, a follower every 3 minutes on TikTok. And that's 24 hours a day. I'm now in the TikTok creator program. So if you have a TikTok channel, a Twitter channel, a YouTube channel, I will support and help everyone. And don't forget, if you become a member, you get a free concert on your birthday. I'm the World Piano Man, as voted by Elton John. And tonight I'm in theatre for 2 nights, 2 sellout nights. It's why I won't be here today for the closing bell. This is my TV studio. And if we get some super chat in today, I might sing you my debut single, my own single. All right, the portfolio is up on the hour, but we're just dropping that back a little bit. We're down 1%. Is Tesla going to continue popping? Oh, Shelter Island Boats has just subscribed to our channel. Thank you ever so much indeed. Hit subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And give us a great big thumbs up. Welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Awesome stuff. We've never had a viral day. I'm quite emotional. I work really, 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 really ridiculously hard for this. For what I earn, a couple of bucks a day, that's it. That's all I get. I used to sell out theatres years ago, unable to do it now because of COVID. And this is what I do now. And I love my family. I love all of you for being here with me every day. I work my socks off. And to have a day where you sit here and you see a little bit of viral action for us, you know? Everyone following, everyone subscribing, everyone liking, really quickly. It really is amazing. Elton cancelled Dallas due to COVID, and you get, yes, I'll take over. I'll do it for you, mate. Just call me up. I can take care of that for you. I can take care of that. PayPal is up 0.222. Immersion is up 0.84. On is down 0.242. Rolls-Royce is down 1.92. Boeing is down 1.32. Apple is up 2.76, but falling back. This is what I want to see. If it drops back, I'm going to buy it. This is what I was hoping was going to happen. It hasn't happened yet. Tesla is dropped back. We had a pop and it dropped back, but that's not enough. That was not enough for me to sell that. Not by a long chalk. All right, not by a long chalk. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. We have got today the cash giveaway for our members. We got Greg Dickerson on the show. We're going to have him on the show. It's going to be a very exciting day. We're very excited about it. It's why I'm wearing the gold tie. And you can tell I'm excited, right? Life is only for being excited. If you can't be excited when you get out of the morning and you're breathing and your wife brings you a cup of coffee, what is the point of living? All right? It doesn't matter how silly it is. Get 1 subscriber on TikTok, 1 follower on YouTube. These are real people. People are giving up their time to be part of your life, to share with you, sit with you every day. It's everything. So I'm not going to apologize for my excitement. People say you shouldn't get so excited. You should be like, just take it in your stride. What's the point? If you can't be excited because you're growing and people are growing with you, that's what it's all about. We're all on a journey together. What's the point, eh? Right, everything's falling back down again now, but I'm not worried. I'm not worried. I see this as an opportunity, right? Robinhood is now is lifting up. It was down 10% today. It's flipping. Earnings were up. The earnings were up. The earnings were up. The earnings were up, everybody. The earnings improved. They didn't hit their expectation, but look, If I had had earnings like that, right, I was losing $2 a share in Q3. In Q1, I'm losing $0.50 a share. That's a difference of $2 a share up. That's a very significant increase. They didn't hit their expectation. They were expected to be down 140, down 0.45. They were down 0.49. You know, they were still dramatically up. What a great step in the right direction. And yet everyone's going, Robinhood's finished. No, it's not. It's a great platform. It's a great platform. It's one for the future. I tell you what, guys, it's a time to buy in at this ridiculously low price. I'll tell you that for nothing. In fact, I might buy some more there. Because what's the point of me saying it if I don't believe it? I do believe it. Let me buy a bit of Hood this morning. Let me buy a bit of Hood. Shares. I'll buy, what should I buy? 20 shares. It was down this morning as low as 14. I think we might start getting it up now. What's my yeah, that's review order 20 shares. I'll buy that. I just bought 20 more shares of Robinhood. All right, lower my dollar averaging, nothing wrong with that. So I'll come back to that. Apple as well is now falling back. Perfect. That's exactly what I want it to do. Tesla is falling back as well. But there we go. We're watching it now. We're trying to trade our Tesla this morning. Rivian. I've got some. Rivian. There's so many things right now down so low. Rivian is now down to 52. My EV sector is big enough. Virgin Galactic now, it was as low as 7.59. It might go as low as 6, but I'm not worried about that. Not worried about that. The upside is far higher than the downside. There's much, much more potential for it going up than there is for it going down. So let's have a look at that right now. We're down 1.44. What's in my buying power? Falling again this morning. I've got $370. Let me have a look. Tesla is down 808. 809. I just bought Hood. We've got nothing. Apple's not doing it yet. Hood has just dropped back. Hood's now going up, so I'm just making a profit on that straight away. I've just bought, so let me add that to the sell right now. I just bought 20 at 10.59. Right, here we go. 20. Let's make a trade. Let's put that right at the top. 20. What did I buy that for? 10.59. Okay. At 10.59. Robinhood is ridiculously cheap. I don't care what you say. It's going up. It's phenomenal stuff. All right. 10.59. I'll take a profit on that. I think that's going to lift up today because their profits were dramatically up. They're still losing money, but they're dramatically up. So that's my belief on it. Tesla is still falling at 8.10. I might buy some more at 8.11. Down 2% today. Rivian is going down as well. 51. Oh, it's so much to do here this morning. Virgin Galactic 782. Wow, there's bargains galore today. If you're over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. We've got the cash raffle today, giveaway for all our members. If you want to be a member, here is the Here is the all links button, which gives you all the free stocks, all the social media, all the things that brokerages give to me to promote them, I give away. Loads of great stuff, okay? Here's the invitation to join. If you become a member today, you'll be in the cash prize. You get that free concert on your birthday. You get the free birthday song on your birthday. Lots of benefits, pre-IPO, NFTs. I support your social media. I promote your online social media. And exclusive content to my members as well. The 24-hour feed. Oh, flipping heck. There's so many opportunities this morning to make money. There we go. Hood is now pumping back up. I just bought some. Whoa, nice. Fantastic. I just bought... I wish I'd bought more. I just bought 20 shares at 10.59. 10.59. I'll make myself $20 on it. It doesn't matter. Every gain's a gain right now. But I'm all the time lowering my averages, right? Lucid is... Whoa. Lucid. What a great time to get into Lucid as well. Lucid. Let's get myself... that's insane. $10 there. What's the buying power now? 370. Lucid. I'm going to get Lucid. 10 shares. That's ridiculous. We're giving away stocks today. It's like the January. We call it the January sales in England. That's insane. 10 of those. Buy that. I'll buy that dip. Yep. I'll buy that all day long. Okay, what else have we got? Gores Guggenheim is that's okay. SPCE. Oh, look how much I can't spend it fast enough. 107. I'm looking at just making a profit now on Hood. If I can make Hood, I will do that. We're about to trade Hood. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. We've got Greg Dickerson coming up very shortly live on the show. It's going to be great. I just bought 20 at 10.59. So if I get... I'll wait for that a little bit longer, but I will take a trade. 11... So that's $40.40. That's $8 profit. It's only $8 profit, but then it gets the money out again to buy another dip. Lucid's still falling. Tesla is still for 803. Yeah. So I think what I'll do now, I'll just get ready to sell those 20. Let me just sell those Hood. This is day trader dream, everybody. Let me review that order. 11.12, 11.10. Sell that. I'll take the profit there. Just made myself like $30. Not a great deal, but it's fine. I'll take that. And we'll look out for that again. Let's go back over to the buying power. That's now increased again. 390. Let's buy some more. Let's buy some more Lucid. Is that continue to falling? It's down 10%. I just bought there. I'll wait a bit longer. So SPCE, Virgin Galactic is down 783. Not quite there, I don't think. Tesla is now down at 803, 804. Let's buy. How much have we got now? We've got in the buying power. We've got 329. So let's go $300 worth of Tesla. Buy Tesla. In dollars, $300. Yep, $300 a Tesla. Do that now. Review order. Is it going to go any lower? Oh, they're giving it away. I'm going to... there we go. Just bought it at 801. Just bought it at 801. Done. Okay, so that's the buying power finished for the minute. Now we need to make the profits. So we've got 30 bucks left. Right, so there we go. So let's have a look where we can trade this morning. If you've just come on in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Click subscribe and ring the bell. We've got the cash giveaway coming up shortly. We've got Greg Dickerson live on the show. We've got a big, big day today. It's going to be a fantastic day. This is a day trader's dream today. Shall we go over to and see if we've got any more subscribers? It happened so quickly with Greg, you don't even see it. You ready? Okay, watch it now on the screen. Here it comes. And here we go. 2034, 2036, another. That's 16 subscribers today. Our best ever day. We got 38 likes. Our all-time record is 53. And Tesla is now 795. Okie dokie then. Right. So let's go. We need to organize our trades right now. It's all happened very, very quickly. So there's no money in the buying power right now. We're at 35,000. 793. Tesla is falling down and down and down and down and down. Apple is now falling back. See? This is ridiculous. Everyone's overselling. This is insane. Right, we now need to make some profits. So there's nothing to be made from Tesla right now. Rivian is still falling. In fact, no, it's picked up. I just bought, what have I just done there? One share, market buy. No, I didn't buy any Rivian today. Okay, SPC. So I need to put my shares together. Rivian, so Tesla, SPCE, Hood. These are the ones that I bought, and Lucid. Put them all together so I can see them quickly. Now, Lucid, I've just bought Lucid at 26.30. So we're still down on Lucid. There's no more to buy right now. Hood, we've just made a profit. I took the money out. I think that's now done. Hood is 20 shares. Yeah, I've just sold those. I made the profit there, and that was right to do so because it's falling back again. So nothing there to do right now. My next position, did I just buy some... just sold there, so nothing there. So it's all tied in. It's all tied into Lucid. Right, 26.30, and so it's Lucid and Hood where my next money is going to come from. That's what we're looking at next. Oil rocketing today. Let's bring in the comments. Yes, Bill, Elton John will have a concert in Milano in June. Oil rocketing today is Do Chat. Yes, it would be awesome to have him in Milan. There we go. Let's bring all our comments into the live chat. Right, so Lucid and Tesla, we're wanting to see those pop up. Murray McKines, everybody, blow up the chat. 50,000, Murray is here. Let's get it in. 50,000 Murray. 50,000 Murray. You know how it goes when our star members are coming to the chat. We blow them up. Here we go. Blow up the super chat with our wonderful guests. DCF here from Greg's channel. DCF. Welcome to DCF. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much indeed. Greeting, folks. There you go. Murray McKines is here. We got a guest of the family today as DCF. Welcome to you. Lovely to have you here. Brokerages give me stuff every day to promote their stuff, their brokerages. But what I like to do is give it all back to you. This is a family of traders here to support you. I was actually voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio. I do live concerts. Sometimes at the end of the show, I'll sing a song. If I get some super chat, and I'll go to the piano and do a song. And but during the daytime, we trade. I won't be here for the closing bell today, of course. I told everybody that because I got a in-person concert. 2 nights, Friday and Saturday, I'm sold out in the theatres. I won't be here. Here is the all links button. For those guests just coming in from Greg Dickerson, these were all my free stocks are, my free crypto is. Take advantage of it. Any of the social media you follow me on and let me know you remember, I will follow you back and support you and tag you in my posts. It's what I do as for my members. If you want to become a member of the channel, one of Greg's guests did a minute ago. Was it Boo Boo Dad? I think it was. Here is the invitation to join. And if you join as a member today, this is what happens. There it is. If you become a subscriber, this is what happens. And if you want that song at the end of the show, think of it as a piano bar. Give me a super chat and I'll do a song for you at the end of the show in one of 14 different voices. This is Greg Dickerson's channel. We will all be subscribing to him shortly, supporting him, having him on the show, learning about investing in real estate, crypto and stocks and shares and all that great stuff. Right, Lucid is now pumping up. We're making a profit with Lucid. I just bought Lucid at 10 shares, 26.30. 26.30. Are we going to make a profit with Lucid this morning? I certainly hope so. And Tesla as well. Great. We are pumping up with Tesla right now. I've got 7.5 shares now of Tesla. Right. We are 39 likes. Our all-time like record is 53 for our 11-hour show we did for the IPO of Robinhood. So, can we beat 53 likes today? If you're watching the channel right now, smash the like. We're a brand new channel. We've only been around 6 months. We're live every day, nearly all day, every day. 40 likes, everybody. We're on fire. 53 is the record. And that was for an 11-hour show. Right, Tesla is now moving up. Lucid is moving up. SPCE is moving up. Hood is I sold it perfectly, by the way. I bought it here, sold it here. That was a perfect. Thank you for the warm welcome, boys. DCF, you'll get the most loving family in the world here. I joked with Greg. We are a tiny channel, but we're a family. We support everyone. We work for everyone. I'm a full-time professional YouTuber and influencer. It's all I do is promote my members. If you are a member, you get a free concert on your birthday. You get a happy birthday on your birthday. You get a free fundraiser concert if you're a silver member. I promote you on my YouTube channel. My members, my silver members, go on the home page of my YouTube channel. Look at this. They go here on the home page of my YouTube channel. We've got sponsors, we've got all kinds of people, and I promote all of you and all of my silver members today who are on here today. You're all going to gain subscribers. I know you're thinking, what about us? What about us? I will be promoting all of you today. When Greg gets here, you're all going to get friends. You're all going to grow your channels. You're all going to make money. Everyone grows. Nobody wins unless everyone wins. Tom Zipton. How are you, Tom? Lovely to have you here. One of my friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the big show. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. We're doing really great today. Tesla is now picking up. We've got a sale coming up any minute now. Lucid is also ready for a sale. We are just 12 away from an all-time like record. 53 was the Hood IPO day. Can we get to 53 likes? 41. I reckon we're going to do it, you know. I reckon we're going to do it. Greg Dickerson is our star guest on our live show today. Let's go over to the raffle. Later on, I'm giving away cash prizes to my members. If you want to be a member, here it is. You need to be a member. This is the raffle. Look at this. We've got... this is what we do. Let me show you how it works. This is the windscreen. This is the windscreen. These are all my members around the outside with their day trader mugs. Look, they've all got their day trader mugs, t-shirts, and this is where the raffle will be. If your name's on this list, if you are a member, you can join right now and I will add you live in the show to the cash draw. We'll be doing it when Greg comes on our show. It's going to be fantastic and we love doing it. It's what we're all about. All right, okay, here we go. It's a lot of fun right. Virgin Galactic is still falling down. Perfect, really, at the moment. Robinhood, I just sold and made some profit there. That's good. And now it's moving up, which is good. Lucid, I'm about to trade that. Tesla as well. It's a very, very good day. Okay, let's have a quick look. Shall we see if we just gain any more subscribers, folks? Should we have a little look? Let's have a look. Let's see where we are. Let's go over to the... here it is. Ready? 236, 237, 238, 239. Oh, 3 subscribers in like seconds. This is the best ever. We got 44 likes now. This is our best ever day. This is Greg Dickerson. He's live on the show. He is a serial entrepreneur. He helps people grow their businesses. He's helping me grow mine right now. He's promoting and helping support people with their real estate investment, a great insight on crypto. All my members today, you can ask a question directly to Greg. He'll be live on the show. He's got, look, a couple of his videos there, done 250,000 views. He's got 41,000 subscribers, and we're going to make sure he grows today. I want all my members to subscribe to him. Not yet. Not yet. I want you all to do it because we're only small. We're only a small channel. I want you to all do it when he's live on the show, so it has a maximum impact. Because we're only tiny. We're only a small little channel. We're not like Greg. We got to go in and make a big impact, right? Because we get one shot at being big. And right, Lucid. I'm looking to trade Lucid. I bought Lucid this morning at 10 shares at 26.30. Greg is a champ. Lots to learn from him. Yes, indeed. We are very honored to have him on the channel. Very, very excited. And we are very excited to have him here. It's going to be a great day. And it's wonderful for him to give up his time and be on my channel. I used to, when I won the title of World Piano Man, I toured 195 countries and sellout theatres, and all that collapsed a few years ago with COVID. So I had to work out what I'm going to do. So I thought, right, well, I can sing. I've got a TV studio, let me do that, and let me entertain the world and bring a family together the way I did on my theatre shows, and that's what we do. We support, we help, we protect, and I give away everything I get to you. All the stuff I get, I give to you. You know how it works. If you're a member, you'll know what we do here. All right. If you'd like to be a member and get a free song on your birthday, or you'd like to get the 20-minute fundraiser concert for free, it's what I do for my members. All right, or you can appear on the homepage of my YouTube channel. All my regular traders and family members, I'll be promoting all my silver members today who would love to be introduced to Greg's following. I know you would, and I'm doing it for all of you when we get nearer the time. Here he is, Robert Durant, on our biggest ever day today. Our biggest ever day. Smash the like Robert's in. Okay, guys, you know what to do. When Robert turns up, let's make him feel welcome. Smash the like Robert. Okay, let's do it. Let's blow up the chat for Robert. Here we go. And let's post it right now. Here we go. Everyone knows what to do. There it is. Smash the like Robert. Thank you very much indeed. You're going to have to get some practice, because later on, if you want to be in the cash giveaway, you know what you got to do. There we go. Mike's here. Mike's playing the game. Beetle Sean's playing the game. These are all the guys that support the channel. These are the guys that are going to get all the love very soon. Don't forget, silver members today. I've been telling you all week, make sure that you're a silver member for Friday, because all of you are going to blow up your YouTube channel today. We're all going to grow. No one wins unless everyone wins. Tesla, we're looking to make a trade. Lucid, we're looking to make a trade. Murray McKines, smash the like button. He's changed his picture. Murray McKines has now got a face to the man. Our man from Scotland. Let me bring in our bronze members. Here we go. Here are our bronze members coming on the screen right now. Let's promote them. All right. Okay, SPCE is still falling, looking to buy some more. Robinhood, I just made profit. I did a really, really great trade this morning. I only made 20 bucks, but do you know, every single penny counts. Very exciting. Now it's going back down again. I'll do it again. I don't think I have any money now in my buying power. I think I've just used it. Yeah, I have. Right, we're looking to trade Tesla, and we're looking to trade Lucid. And then buy some more SPCE and buy some more Hood. That is the plan today. Let's bring in all our silver members. There are silver members. All right. Right. We got 47 likes. We are 6 away from an all-time record. 53 likes was for an 11-hour show. So we've smashed it beyond all shadow of all doubt. All right. Okay. What we got to do now, as you all know, for those of you that watch the show regularly, we've got to take a 10-second break to hear from our sponsors. 10 seconds. So if an ad comes up now, all you do is click skip. You don't have to watch the ad. You click the skip button. You ready? I will be back in under 10 seconds from now. There you go. Make sure that you skip the ad and you're back with us. Here we go. We've got the Day Trader of the Day competition as well. The Day Trader of the Day competition. So make sure that we do that right now. Are you ready? So, hi, Robert. There's something you have to do. Yes, ma'am. What is it? What is it? What is it? What's he got to do? What's he got to do? What's Robert got to do? I have no idea what Robert's got to do. What's he got to do? Well, our chat rate is 12. Our chat rate is... We've had 156 people come through our show. The record is 200. We are having a one almighty day today. This is our biggest ever day. We've got our star guest on the show for all silver members today. All of you silver members, you are going to gain... And it's still not too late. If you're a silver member, you can upgrade to silver. You're all going to gain followers today. Here is the gold members. We've got Greg Dickerson with 35,000 subscribers, who is coming on our show in very, very shortly. And the cash giveaway is coming up as well. So make sure that you smash the like. Brilliant. Robinhood is falling back now. There we go. And here's our sponsor. Alex is in the house. Alex is our first ever sponsor on the channel, and he gets lots and lots of perks and benefits as well. Right, Tesla is falling again, but I don't mind. I see it as an amazing, amazing opportunity to buy in. Lucid is now up. Down, but I've just made money on it. SPCE is still going down perfect for me right now. Robinhood, I just bought in here, traded here, and now it's going back down again. Cheers, Sean. All right, all of those of you today who are silver members, you're about to get your YouTube channels to blow up like mine is. All right, here is the all links button for all our guests. All our guests today from Greg Dickerson. If you follow all the social media, if you are, there it is for you, and all the free giveaways I have are there in that link. Here also, if you want to be a member, we've got the raffle coming up very soon as well to all my members. Here we go. When does Greg arrive? Greg will be here in the next 20 minutes or so. All right, and then we've got the cash giveaway as well. And right now, though, we got the Day Trader of the Day. Let me get back to our main ticker for a minute. Smash after smash. Smash. Marty has to smash something. Robert, what? What's going on? No one's I'm not smashing anybody. We're still falling down now, but it's a great opportunity to buy in. This is an amazing, amazing day today. We've got Greg on the show. Here is, let me have a look. Shall we see if we've gained any more subscribers? Ready? Watch this for magic. Are you ready? This is the power of making friends on social media. Are you ready? Watch this. Here we go. Watch closely. Watch it roll round. You ready? Here it comes. 2039, 2040. We've gained 20 subscribers during the show today. Absolutely fan-flipping-tastic. I can't flipping believe it. I love it. So there you go. 20 subscribers in one show so far. All right, this is Greg's YouTube channel. We're all going to subscribe to that in a minute. All of you that are silver members. Oh, here goes Tesla. Here goes Tesla. I told you it would. Right, we're looking to trade anything above 900 is where I'll start taking some trades, okay? It's not too late to make sure that you're in on the cash giveaway as well today. And that'll be just coming up after Greg as well. Or I might do it just before Greg. We'll see how we feel. See how we feel. Right. 812. Here we go. Here we go. And Lucid will go with it. Right. Lucid. We're making money now on all these stocks. I'd love to buy some dips, but I need my existing portfolio to make profit before I can have... I know how that goes, Bubble. I'm there all the time. Right. I just traded 10 shares at 26.30. Okay, we've lowered our averages. We're about to make a trade with Lucid and Tesla. We're looking for around 900, and we'll sell some stock. Might sell 2 shares. And then we'll buy some SPCE. Then we'll buy some more Hood as it goes back down again. I bought here on Hood, traded here on Hood. Let's have a look at Apple. Apple didn't fall down like I predicted, but it will have a dip. It's bound to. Right, we only need 6 more likes now. If you've just tuned into the show, 6 more likes to break the all-time record. 53 is a record. If you've not yet smashed the like button, let's get a record today. If we don't get a record on a day like this, we're never going to get a record. VSPR, 2 shares. 2 shares of what? What have you bought 2 shares of? What have you bought 2 shares of? I bought a Tonic coin. A Tonic coin currently up 19%. Be very careful with that sort of stuff. Tesla is popping again. Ethereum is now dropping back, down 1.78 today. Bitcoin is also down, but it will lift back up again. Laugh my ass off. What's that? What are you saying? What's 2 shares? I'd love to know. Where you're from, VSPR? Now then, we've got all our guests coming in. I want everyone to put their cities and countries in the chat. We've got lots of guests here from our star guest today, Greg Dickerson. He shared his our channel with everyone, and we're getting a really, really great day. Tesla. Yep. It's coming up. I know. I'm going to try. I've just bought another. What have I bought now? I bought 894, 835, and 801. 801. Oh, nice. I'll sell 2.5 shares around about 900. Yes, you bought. Oh, I bought 2 shares of Tesla. Why is he laughing? He's laughing because I've only got 2 shares. We're a small channel. We start small, but everything you see here, VSPR, is real. This is my portfolio. This is my life savings. This is my real money. I traveled 195 countries as the world piano man. This is my TV studio you see behind me. This is it here. And I used to perform in theatres and stuff like that, and it all got knocked on the head. So I turned my touring studio theatre into a studio here at home, and that's what I do now. And in fact, tonight I've got 2 nights sellout, tonight and tomorrow, but only 2 nights. I've only got a couple more gigs left. I'm kind of retiring from it and focusing on my online. I've been doing it 37 years, and I'm focusing on performing live on air with you guys. Leverage trade. No, don't use leverage trade. Man's got a point. The man's got a point. I missed what the point was. I apologise. Leverage trade. No, I don't borrow any money. This buying power here is my margin, which I'm not using. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. If I get a bit of super chat come towards the end, I do a song. I'll do my debut single, one of my own songs, and I do that for you. Here we go. Tesla, if it gets to 900, I might sell 2.5 shares. Can you give me £100? Albin plays. Can I give you £100? Well, you might if you win the cash prize today, you'll have some money there. But yeah, we are giving away cash today in our raffle. It's for our members only. Here it is. Tesla 818. Yep. It's great. 820. Woo woo. Get in. 2.5 shares today. I'm not going to sell it around here. It's got to go up above 900. It's got to go above 900. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Man's got a point. Nice studio, bro. Thank you much indeed. All right. Okay. We got 47 likes. We're stuck on 47. We need 6 more likes for an all-time record. Smash the like button. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and thank you very much for doing that. Right, day trader of the day. We're doing it now. Shall we do it now? Day trader of the day. Let's go to your main portfolio. And you will see I'm down today, 1.64. I'm down. I've been buying all the dips, but I'm excited about it. right? I don't mind being down. I'm accumulating great companies, great assets at giveaway prices. So down. Crypto Wonderland, you can collateral your asset in crypto. We're going to learn more about that today. Here is my Bitcoin position. Here's my Ethereum position. I've got 12% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin. And 2.5% is in Ethereum. Crypto Wonderland, welcome to you. All right, now then, let's go over to Tesla. It's moving up 823. This great. It's now 16%. 17% of my portfolio. I'm going to have to trim some off the top. So we've got a few minutes to go now before Greg Dickerson joins us live on the show. So get ready. Get your questions ready for Greg. Smash the like. We need to get the all-time record of 53 likes. All right. If you want to become a member and get your channel promoted in today's show, you need to become a member. Here it is. Or you get those free concerts, the free IPOs, the pre-IPOs, the NFTs, the cash giveaway on Friday, which is today, of course. All the benefits and perks as a member. All right. Okay. I'm not going to sell it yet. I'm going to hold on. Apple is dropping back. Oh, no, it's not. It's up again now. It's moving back up again. I'm glad I did it, though. I'm glad I did it because I really, really wanted to get this Tesla dip. And I sold, I took a profit, and now we're climbing back up again with Tesla. Fantastic. My average now is 1,001. It's now 991. Much, much better. So there we go. I've got 7.5 shares of it now. I'm very happy with that. All right. So this is, shall we have a quick look? Shall we dare to see? Oh, before I do, day trader of the day. So here we go. I'm going to put my position right now. I am down nearly 2%. 48 likes now. I know, it's amazing. We only want 5 and we equal the all-time record. I got a funny feeling we're going to do it. So it'd be great, wouldn't it? So here we go. I am down today 1.89 right now. Don't post your scores yet until I give you the timer. So get ready. Go to your main portfolio. Go to your day position. It's a competition we have every single day. Are you ready? And I'll give you the timer. Are you ready? Here's the timer right now. I'll bring it up on the screen. And you've got 1 minute to post your scores from now. There we go. Let's see who the day trader of the day is. Who's it going to be? 43 seconds to go. Fantastic. Down 1.48. That's better than me. Down 16%. Ouch, ouch. It's a wash. Down 1.93. That means Bubble could be winning on down 1.48. No, it's a wash. Is equal. Down 4.3. Down 0.89. What's behind you? Why are you saying that? Is that a joke? Me out. What's behind you? Was that? Is that like what? What was that? You made me do that. I already said I was up. Paul B. I already said. Yeah, ha ha ha. Flip it, I fell for that, didn't I? Okay. Yeah, unbelievable. Robert Durant said I wanted to see you do it. All right. I can't believe he got me to do that. I thought he's having a laugh. Anyway, right, the winner is Paul B is up 19%. 19%. That is absolutely fantastic. Let me post his score on the screen. Let's thank him for his honest trades. There we go. Thank him for his honest trades. Absolutely superb. We love that. And give him a big thumbs up. And now, everybody, big round of applause. Congratulations. Absolutely. There you go. Well done, mate. Oh, dear, oh, dear. What's behind you? It kind of freaked me out for a minute. I thought, well, I don't know. But anyway, there we go. Congratulations, everybody. Well done indeed. Right. We're getting ready now for the Greg Dickerson interview. He's coming live up on the show. We're getting ready now also for the cash giveaway as well. And and also, more importantly, for all of you, look at Tesla. For all of you, all my silver members, if you are a silver member right now, you are on the homepage of my YouTube channel. You're all going to get subscribers, fans, friends, followers around the world because we're having our best ever show today. Our best ever show, and you're all going to benefit from it. And that's what we do. No one wins unless we all win. All right? 827 now. And so is Lucid. Look at this. Look at this. It is great. SPCE is lifting up now. I've got no more money to invest. I'm making money for, and Robinhood is going up again as well. Fantastic. Seriously, everybody, this is a great time. When there's blood in the market, you make lemonade. Crypto Wonderland. I love your icon, by the way. That's probably an NFT, right? If you want to trade my NFTs, my traders can trade them. My members can trade my NFTs in the show, live in the chat. It's one of the perks of being a member. And here is my NFT collection. If you're interested, here it is. And there are more coming all the time. But my members can trade them in the show. And as our channel grows, that is the underlying value of the NFTs. Get more followers, more members. The money, the channel earns more money. Here is my NFT collection. Look at this. Here is the NFT collection I have. And as a member, you can trade them in the show. We've just released these a few weeks ago. We haven't promoted them yet. We're just getting them sorted out on the OpenSea platform. There you go. All right. Fantastic. Very exciting stuff. Right. We're getting ready now. That chat rate has to go over just before the competition starts. It has to go over today. The record is, let me check it. Where is it? 86 is the chat record. Okay. It has to go over 86 today for us to do the cash giveaway. Greg Dickerson will be live on the show coming up in about 10 minutes time, live on the show. Very excited to have Greg with us. You will be able to ask him live questions. And we also have the cash giveaway as well. Oh, it's on fire. Look at Tesla. When do I sell now? It doesn't matter now. I'm making money on it. Where do I sell? Overall, I'm down 15%. Let's get that straight. But that's fine. I've made a profit on my 3 shares that I just, 2.5 shares I've just bought. So let's get that over 900, and then we'll have a go at that then. Anything above 900, we'll start to trade it. Okay. Those 2.5 shares, we'll start to do that. Lucid is now also up. I just bought Lucid at, let's scroll down and take a look. Lucid, I just bought 10 shares at 26.30. So I've made $20. Right, just about $20 right now. Rivian is pumping as well. Rivian is, there we go. Rivian is up as well. Great time today to make money. Really is. If you've got opportunity. I made money on Robinhood this morning. Absolutely great. Love it. So here we go. It's a big day on the show. Right, we only need Tesla 30 minutes. Right, okay, this is interesting here. Crypto Wonderland. Tesla 30 minutes resistance at 840. Tesla, 30 minutes resistance at 840. Thank you ever so much for sharing that with us. Let's have a closer look at it. It's had a resistance now for 30 minutes at 840. It's just bouncing back off that. I don't mind. I'm going to wait for it to do much more. It may drop down. I know people are overselling all this high-risk stocks, but Tesla, in my mind, is one of the greatest companies of the world because of Elon Musk's forward thinking, very different than other CEOs. He's not really a CEO. He's an inventor, a creator, a visionary. And he just wants to do well by the world. We've just gained another 2 subscribers. Look at this. We've gained 22 now in the show. It's our best ever day. We started at 2020. We're at 2042. 22 subscribers. And I'm going to pass all of my new friends today onto all of my members here in the chat very soon. Because you're all thinking, hey, help us grow. It's what we do here. And you're absolutely right. It is what we do. You've still got time. He calls himself an engineer. He does. Yeah, he's chief engineer of the company. I mean, what other CEO does that? You know? So all my members right now, if you want all the cash giveaways that I give away, I give lots of things away. I love doing it. Here they all are under the all links button. If you become a member today, I will follow everyone on social media. If you follow me, all you got to do is say, I'm a member. I will know you're a member because I'll check it. And I will follow you back. But more importantly than just following you back, I will engage with you, support you, tag you in viral videos. Hood is doing well. Look at this, 1142. Yes, it is. Look, why on earth did everyone sell off last night? I mean, seriously. Their earnings report didn't quite hit expectation. But seriously, guys, look at the growth of this new company. It's under all sorts of attack because so many young people use Hood who love to rant and rave on Reddit and talk bad of it. But look at it. Look at it. It was, in last quarter, it was losing $2 a share, right? It's now losing $60 a share. It's improved its position by $2 a share. That's a huge growth. It's still losing money, but it's going quickly in the right direction. So I'm all for Hood, totally. And right now you're getting all this this growth. So there we go. Good morning, John. Welcome to the family. John's one of our silver members. Fantastic, love it. If you've just tuned in, we need 5 more likes to make the all-time record of 53. 53 likes. Thumbs up the video. If we can just get 3 more likes, we beat the record. All right. Now, Tesla's just bouncing back off. We were warned of that. Our guest here, Crypto Wonderland. I bet that's an NFT, by the way. I love that. I'm just guessing. Is it an NFT? Let us know, Crypto. Dropping back again now. I haven't traded it. I'm not going to trade it right now. 49. We need 4 more likes for an all-time record. Oh, could we do it? Greg will be with us in about 5 minutes, and then we've got the cash giveaway as well. Excellent stuff. Hood turning green. There we go. Yep, Hood's turned green. Let's look now on the live position. The live position, we are flat on the hour. Oh, yes, I thought it probably would be. If you ever decide to be a member of our channel, you can actually post your NFT links in the channel, and I will promote them for you, and you can trade and sell them to our members. If you ever become a member, here is the invitation to join. What we do is you can send me the link via email, text, or Discord, or as a message in any of my videos, and I will actually put it in the live chat for you. If you are a YouTuber, I will actually, if you're a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and these are my members who are promoted on my YouTube channel. And in a minute, all of my members are going to get introduced to everybody, so we can hopefully grow them as well. It's what we do here on The Day Trader. Everyone wins, everyone makes money, everyone gets friends, everyone grows their online presence. It's what we do. Right, we're dropping back now. I haven't traded it. I could have done, but I didn't. I held back. If you just tuned in, I'm not a professional financial advisor. No, I'm the world piano man. I toured 195 countries. This is my TV studio. When COVID hit, I couldn't tour anymore. So I built a full TV studio. And here it is right now for you. And in the evening, I do concerts and birthdays and celebrations of life and all sorts of things. And during the daytime, I trade with my life savings. And what you're watching now is my real bank account. The only money I have. That's it. Crypto Wonderland, welcome, welcome, welcome. Our members will welcome you in. and we'll introduce all our guests very, very shortly. We need 4 more likes now. 4 more likes if we're going to get the all-time record. There it is. 53 is the all-time record. We're at 49. Smash the like. Let's be part of it. All right. Okay. We've got... you're very welcome. Yeah. It's what we do. We're a small channel, but we're very engaging. We're all about supporting and helping everybody. And it's so lovely that Greg has come and decided to help and support us. We massively appreciate it. Here is Greg's YouTube channel. And all my members in a minute are going to subscribe to it. 51. Ooh, 3 more to beat the all-time record. There we go. Subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like. And in a minute, we're all going to subscribe to Greg's channel. We will do it. You watch us do it. Virgin Galactic just dropping back down. Let's have a look at Apple. Is Apple going back down again? Still climbing. Apple's doing great. It didn't do what all the other stocks did. Look at Tesla. Up and down. Day trader's dream. If I'd sold everything, if I'd sold my 2.5 shares, I would have made money and now I could buy it again and do it again. But I didn't. I'm okay with that. I don't mind owning. That's the point. I don't mind owning Tesla. It doesn't matter to me it drops. I know where it's going. I'm not investing in today. I'm not investing in the price. I'm investing in its value, its future, where it's actually going. That's what I'm actually interested in. All right? So there we go. We're just a few minutes away now from our star guest, Greg, to be on the show. And we're very much looking forward to it. It's going to be a wonderful day. We've also got the cash giveaway as well. And that's coming up soon. So the portfolio now. My actual position is down 1.85% today. We're down. Tesla is just going back down again. Lucid is falling back down again. SPCE is going back down, but I don't mind that. Robinhood touched green and dropping back off. What's happening now is people are, trading. They're making money. Nothing wrong with that. Rivian is down 4.65%. Right, let me show our members off. Let me show our members. First of all, our sponsor. Here he is. Here's our sponsor, Alex. He's on the 24-hour feed. There he is. And also we've got our gold members as well. Let's bring in our gold members. Very exciting now. Rivian is falling back. GGPI is falling back slightly. Palantir is up today, 0.39, was a lot higher. PayPal is just down slightly. Immersion. These are all my actual stocks and shares I have. Nice time, Martyn. Thanks, mate. What's for our star guest today? 51. We need 3 more likes to beat the all-time record. We need 3 more likes. You're all spiffed up. Of course I am. I told you it'd be important today. It's our biggest ever show. Our biggest ever numbers. And today I became in fact, I'll leave that news for a minute. We've got just a couple of minutes now to go before Greg joins us. And we've got the cash giveaway as well. Right. Here we go. Boeing is down 2.46. Apple is also down. Is up 3.8. Let's 10x the likes. 10x the likes. Well, this is brilliant for me. Thank you ever so much. Look at that. Jelly Bean has just come in. A guest of ours today. Guest of the family. 2 more likes to beat the all-time record. There we go. Fantastic. What a great... there's our gold members. Let's bring in our silver members right now as well. Here we go. Here are our silver members. There we go. Let's put them on the screen. 53. We've equaled the all-time record now. We've equaled the all-time record. We knew today would be special, but more importantly, it's going to be special for all of my members and everyone that is part of our channel. All right? If you want to become a member, here is the invitation to join. We've just equaled the all-time record, and that was for an 11-hour show. Yes, 11-hour show. And we've done it already today. This is absolutely great. There's the invitation to join. If you want any of the free crypto I give away, free stocks, you want to be part of my social media. And remember, I support everyone who supports me. It's what I do. I make it my full-time commitment to bring the world together and support everyone. It's what we do. Right. Welcome. Let's 10x the likes. Well, that would be amazing. I've never. The 53 is my all-time record. It equals my record right now. So 10xing is not even a number I can comprehend. All right. Anyway, whatever. Let me just check my messages in case Greg has messaged me. No, we're all good. Because my phone's on silent during the show, obviously, so I don't have any phone calls. Welcome, Jelly Bean. There we go. Everybody welcoming all my guests. Welcome to the Martyn Lucas Studios. If you like music, this is what I do. I'm the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio, and I go live here most evenings and do live concerts. If you remember, you get happy birthday for your birthday. You get live concerts for fundraisers if that's what you want. But today's big day is our star guest, Greg Dickerson. Ready when you are. Fantastic. Ready when you are. Right, Greg, we'll just call in and I'll put you in the green room. Make sure we're all good. Greg is here. Get ready for those questions. Going for the Nobel Peace Prize, our man Martyn. Yeah, just call in, Greg, and you can be in the green room and we can start to build you up. There he is. He's in the green room, everybody. So great stuff. Let me just clear the screen. And I have to say, I'm very impressed. He's a man like me, spot on time. He was there, waiting, ready to go. And we're going to assign him to the green room. He guessed position 1. And we are all good. Let me just go and check. He's in our green room. So we're going to bring him in a couple of seconds. We've got some questions for Greg, our star guest today. And we're absolutely honored to have him here with us. All right? So let's go over. There he is. Greg, give us a wave. How are you, mate?
Doing great. Good to see everybody.
Fantastic. We'll be right with you in a minute. Are you okay in the green room? You're perfectly okay there?
I'm hanging out.
You're hanging out. Okay. Do you have a time when you have to get off? How much time do you have with us this morning?
I've got some time. 30, 40 minutes?
Perfect. Thank you very much indeed. Well, there's Greg Dickerson, our star guest, looking great. I love the map behind him, and I love the fact. One of my little English things I love to wind up the Americans. What's right in the middle of the map? What's in the dead center of the map? What's the most important country in the center of the map? England. So there we go. Greg Dickerson is our star guest and he's there with us in the green room. We'll be back with Greg very shortly. We've got a lot to learn from Greg today. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. Greg's going to stick with us in the green room. He's sitting there waiting to come on and talk to us. And Greg can still hear me, even though you can't see him. He can hear me. He's watching what's going on. Greg, we want to thank you already for all the friends of your YouTubers and your family that you've sent to us. Massive thanks, Greg, for that. Really appreciate you. Okay. I've just muted him for a moment and I'll bring him back into the show. Right. So we're getting ready now. If you'd like to talk to... hang on a minute. What's that? YouTube is not receiving enough information as such viewers. We got a bit of buffering there that seemed to appear on YouTube, but that's fine, not a problem. Right. We've got Greg Dickerson today. Let me introduce him. He's our star guest. If you'd like to ask him a question, you can. We are watching all the stocks right now. We're watching Tesla bouncing back up again. Lucid. We're watching when are you selling Tesla, Martyn? When it hits around 900 and something, but I don't mind keeping it. It's a stock. It's an investment for the future. I don't mind if it goes back down again. I'm holding it. If I can trade it, I will. Remember, your day trades, your long-term investments, they're all different things, but they're all important. They all play a part. So I'm happy to hold Tesla forever, but I'm not joining a fan club. I want to make money from it. I want to build a financial secure future for myself. So I will trade it along the way and then use the money to buy dips in other companies. That's what it's all about. Combination of day, swing, and long-term investing. Right. It's now time for our star guest. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so excited because Greg Dickerson is live there in the green room. He's waiting for us to come on in. Let me introduce him. Greg Dickerson, ladies and gentlemen, is a guy on YouTube. He's a social media expert. He's an entrepreneurship expert, crypto, you name it, real estate investing. Let's bring up his YouTube channel right now. Here is his YouTube channel, folks. This is how I can best introduce him. Now, I know we're a small channel, but we're a loving, engaging, supportive channel. There is so much nonsense out there in the world of finance. People influencing things for their own gain. People promoting things for their own gain. You know, using their influence. Well, from time to time, you come across someone who is as supportive and as giving as you can imagine. Now, Greg Dickerson, I've been watching Greg. I'm a fan. I subscribe to him. He's got a great channel. This is Greg's channel right now. So I'm going to post it in the chat, and I want Greg to tell me later that all of my members, all my family subscribe to him. I will sub to Greg. There you go. There is Greg's YouTube channel. Go and subscribe to Greg's YouTube channel right now. Let me just click on the home to give you his direct. There we go. Let's make sure I give you the best link. There you go. So click on that. Go and subscribe, everyone. And remember, when you subscribe to a channel, it's very important to ring the bell and be notified because Greg is live throughout the day. I see Greg driving around in his car and he'll go live with some very important information for you about all kinds of things, crypto news that comes out, or if it's information about real estate. So you want to get yourself subscribed and ring the bell and set notifications to all. All right, let's bring our star guest in. There he is. So we've got lots of questions for you. Let's get straight into it, everybody. So here we go. We're going to keep our eye on the trades. We've got the cash giveaway coming up in a few minutes as well. But first of all, I want to blow up the chat. Would all my members in the live chat now blow up the chat and welcome our star guest. I'm thrilled to have him, Greg Dickerson, serial entrepreneur, live on the Day Trader. How are you, Greg?
Doing great, Martin. Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's our honor. We've only been around 6 months, and we're a very small channel, as you obviously know. We can't hide anything here. But what we do, I trade every day with my real money. I spent 37 years as the world piano man, touring 195 countries. But of course, COVID changed all that. But I learned how to put on a show. I learned how to build a studio. So I thought, right, I'll stop touring, I'll do it from home, and I'll use my bit of life savings that I had on the stock market. We'll trade and we'll build a family of friends and people to support each other. And we come across you, and I watch your channel every day, I engage in it, and I love what you do. You support so many people, you give so many such great advice, and in fact, your fans today and your subscribers have been in the chat telling us how much you've helped them, support them, and that is what I love. I want guests on my channel that have that connection. So Greg, welcome to the channel. Please introduce yourself to all our guests here. And while he's doing that, guys, you've got the link. Smash the like button, subscribe to his channel, and be part of Greg's community. Greg, it's over to you.
Hey, thank you for having me. Yeah, it's great to be here. And, it looks like we have people from all over the world. I'm kind of monitoring the chat in South Africa and Scotland and just, in the great state of Texas where you are. So, it's just awesome to be here. And, that's what's cool about this world of online, right? There's just people from all over the world that you're talking to and meeting and engaging with. And, it's really cool how much alike we all are all around the world, right? We all want to better ourselves. We all want to take care of our family. We all want to help each other out. And especially in this time, it's been a difficult last couple of years for a lot of people around the world. It's been a difficult, start to this year with the markets and, the stock markets, crypto. A lot of people, have lost a lot of wealth. A lot of people are struggling. Inflation is at all-time highs. So, if we can get out there and inspire people and help people and encourage people and maybe, share some of the lessons we've learned. I went through 2008 and 9. I was very heavy in real estate at the time and saw a lot of things and a lot of people get hurt. And, we are going through something that's not too unsimilar right now. So, but at the same time, there's going to be a lot of opportunities, right? So, You got to have the right information, and you've got to make sure you're making the right decisions and look at all sides of the equation. So it's a lot of fun. I really appreciate you having me here. I love what you're doing. I put a message out today for people to come check you out, subscribe to your channel, and blow your channel up. So you may get some later, than right now, because I have people all over the world as well. So you never know what time zone everybody's in. But yeah, glad to be here and looking forward to, questions.
Self. I apologize. I'm back again now. I muted myself. There we go, guys. Sorry about
I was
that.
wondering what was going on.
Yeah. I muted myself to give you the best audio quality. We'll edit that bit out later. No, I wanted to say that let's see, everyone's fine now. That they're all. Everyone reminds you in a second, don't they? They go, "You've muted yourself." Perhaps I'll just leave that on this time. Anyway, what I wanted to say was, what we do here now is so important. We talk to the world every day. And how do you feel about the responsibility? I know people choose to watch your channel. We all get the trolls. We all get abuse as YouTubers. We all get people come on. I mean, as I've started to grow, I'm noticing it every day. People are screenshotting things I've said. Then they'll turn it upside down, inside out. Martyn Lucas just said we should all buy Bitcoin. And now they bought Bitcoin and now they lose money. Martyn Lucas is the reason why I've lost my house. Right. We are YouTubers. We are online on TikTok, on Twitter, and everything else. But me and Greg are real people investing our real money. Everything you see on the screen is my real money. I don't hide anything. All right. This is my journey, and we do have a responsibility, though. But at the end of the day, what you do is your choice. What you do with your money, and everyone's position is different. I've always advocated people should never borrow money to invest. I don't know what you feel about that, whether you should use margin. I paid off my mortgage years ago. I paid off my house, my car loan. I only use money in the bank that I have that I don't need for the next 6 months. I don't say money I can afford to lose. I hate that phrase. And a lot of my traders say we hate that phrase as well. It's not money I can afford to lose, but it's money that I use to invest that I don't need right now to pay the bills. And eventually, if it went to zero and I didn't earn any money for the next 6 months, then I would be in trouble. But how do you feel about that as a YouTuber, the responsibility that we have? Or do you feel, I say what I feel, and what you do is up to you? I mean, what do you feel about the responsibility of YouTubers influencing the world? Because people follow us all the time.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I think it's very important. And, these are very difficult times. So what you have are a couple of things. One, with the people and the haters and, there's a lot of spam and scam bots out there, phishing scams. But in terms of the, negative, rude comments, there are some people, like I said, that are hurting. Some people have lost their entire portfolios here in the last, month, especially with crypto going down as much as it had. So, people are hurting. They're angry. They're mad at themselves for not selling when they could have, and they just want to lash out. Some people are just, generally, mentally disturbed, right? So you have a lot of that going on. So in terms of the comments and things like that, you just got to ignore it. You got to delete it, block it, and just push through it, because, it's kind of like you're at a sporting event, right? And you're out on the field and you're playing. 1 minute, you're a hero, you just scored, everybody loves you. The next minute you strike out, everybody's hating you and they're yelling at you and calling you a bum, right? So, a lot of it's that, but these are very polarizing times. There's a lot of divisiveness, in the country, in the world, over all of the things that we've been dealing with the pandemic. On top of that, you have inflation. So there's a lot of financial pressure. There's a lot of social pressure. The world's changing, but at the same time, like I said, it's a global community, right? We all want the best for each other. And no matter how much of that stuff you see, and it's a very minor amount, the thing is, the people that really love you, you see some posts, but you don't see all the posts, and you get those little, one or two little negative posts here or there. It can make you think that there's a lot more negativity out there than there is. That is a minority. Let me tell you, for everybody watching, that's probably not even half of 1% of who's watching, who's listening, and who's doing things. So, you just got to ignore that, block it, and, embrace the positive comments, understand what you're doing is helping people, it's helping the world. And we see it over and over and over with the, crisis and disasters and things that you see around the world, how much people come together, support each other. I saw Italy in the chat, and I can tell you how heartwarming it was during the height of the pandemic in March of 2020, seeing, the Italians out on their balconies singing and cheering each other up. I mean, that was the most incredible thing to see, right? People all around the world helping each other during, difficult times. And, we all have our differences. We all have our political spectrums. We all have our views and our theologies and our beliefs. But at the end of the day, we're all human. We're all here to support each other. We're all here to help each other. Time and time again, people come together and help each other. And if there's one or two bad apples, well, you know what you do? You throw them out, right? And you just keep going with the good apples. And hopefully, eventually, whatever issues those people are dealing with, they'll come around. And if not, then, sorry, you don't go watch something else.
You're absolutely right. And we need to always remind ourselves of that. When I started, I was getting abuse online. But I have a family of people, even if it's just 30 people a day, which it is right now. But those same 30 people join me every single morning, hours and hours a day. I'm live like nearly 8 hours a day. I'm live 5 days a week, and they're with me all day, every day. And it's an honor. And whether you are a small channel or a large channel, it's an honor that people give you their time and support you. And we are here as traders, investors, so doing our very best to bring a community together and give the advice that we believe and how we see it. But when you talked about portfolios get wiped out, I want to touch on that for the moment, because right now I'm down like massive, right? I can't hide it. You can see it. The whole work I shared with you. That actually, I'm not joking. All right. I'm not as successful as you. I put everything into a touring and theatre show, which, trust me, pays the bills for everybody else. I had like 30 employees touring the world for many years. It costs a lot of money to do that. So we had a wonderful experience, but I didn't make any real money. I was just made enough to pay everybody. But what a life, right? But here now, my portfolio I've grown it up, and then it did really great before Christmas, like up to about October. I just couldn't lose. Whatever I bought just went up and up and up and up. And then all of a sudden it's gone down. But I bought great companies that I believe in, companies that I know are good. And I've got a diverse portfolio. That doesn't mean to say I just buy 100 random stocks and hope for the best. I bought companies that I invest in, but I relax. I believe in my companies. I believe in Bitcoin. It doesn't matter to me what anybody else might say on YouTube. I believe in Bitcoin. And I've not used borrowed money. I've not used leverage. I did for a moment yesterday for like a minute, because I just transferred money. But other than that, I don't use it. So you can't lose money unless you sell out and walk away. If you're, as my portfolio now, it's gone down in price. For me, it's gone up in value, because those companies are bigger than they were 6 months ago. Virgin has proved it can sell tickets. It sold the first 100. That's great. They're now building the rockets. There's no good news. Everyone's getting angry because there's no good news, but they're building the rockets. They're getting ready to take off. We know about Tesla. We know about Bitcoin. We know about all these other things. You've got these shares in these assets. And if you've been trading as well as long term and as well as swing and even scalping but minute by minute, you're accumulating more and more shares, even though the shares are worth the price that people are prepared to pay is less. And I'm a perfect example. At the height of my career, when everybody had money years ago before COVID, people were before I was shut down with COVID, I was $5,000, $10,000. You'd hire me to play in your house. We'd bring my piano, put on a big theatre show. Well, that was the price that someone was prepared to pay for me when they had money and everything was great and all their friends could come to the party. Now no one's going to pay me that, because no one's going to come. They haven't got the money. Their shares are down. But my value is the same. My quality of my product is the same. I'm still doing my job. But the price has gone down. So if you've bought shares and crypto, as long as you haven't bought junk coins and crazy stuff like that, Binky Bonk and Donkey Dink, whatever it is you bought, as long as you've bought that, hold on, and you've not used money that you need to pay the bills, you've not lost money, right? You're okay.
So, Yeah, because I'm in and out. So I don't look at everything long term, always forever, because things don't always go up indefinitely forever. It just doesn't. Things come back, they turn around, and I get in and get out. I'm a swing trader, more long term. Like one of the last times I made my biggest move in the stock market was March of 2009 at the bottom, and I went in heavy. And I'm not somebody who's been in and out of the markets over a period of time. I look for extreme dips. So what I tell everybody is the most important thing to know, it doesn't matter what it is, whether it's stocks, cryptos, real estate, businesses, and I do all that. I buy companies, build companies, sell them off. The most important thing to know is the top. That's the most important thing to know. And you need to take some profits off the table. You should take some profits off the table. Now I understand people that, especially in the crypto space, it's a very young space. It's only been around for about 11 12, 13 years, whatever, since 0809. It was born. Bitcoin was born out of the 0809 crisis. I first heard about Bitcoin, I don't know, 2015, 2016. It wasn't explained to me, so I just kind of watched it and followed it back then. Didn't really understand it, just watched it go up and down. It would peak, it would draw down, it would peak, it would draw down. And then 2017, 2018 is when I really started making some moves. And, it's an interesting market and it's extremely volatile versus real estate or stocks or anything else. But the key to those things are to understand where we've been. So a lot of people haven't been through a 2008 or 9. They haven't been through the dot-com bubble. I was there for that. I was getting started in my entrepreneurial career back in 2000 when the dot-com bubble burst, and a lot of people that were making money in stocks were coming down to my area and building, big multi-million-dollar beach houses, and they were taking their profits out of the stock market, reinvesting it in other things. Lesson number one: they knew the top, they sold before it peaked, and they took that profit and put it into other assets, other investments. And a lot of the smart investors back in the dot-com bubble, that's what they were doing. And I didn't know anything about the stock market back then, so I was asking them, I'm like, well, why don't you just stay in stocks? And that's what they told me. Things don't go up forever. It's better to know the top. Now, that drew down and it, wrestled around for a number of years, and then ultimately, a lot of those things rebounded. So over the long term, it worked, but it was a long time, and there was a lot of opportunity cost lost in that time span of that down market. And, that's what you've seen in the crypto markets and things like that, is that, they'll reach a peak, they'll draw down 70, 80%, for Bitcoin. Some of the altcoins will go away. Some of them will draw down 90 to, almost 100% and hang around for a little while. And then there's a period of time before it rebounds. Now, the real question is, again, we've had a very unique environment over the last 13, 14 years since 2008-9 when QE was instituted, and, easy monetary policy that's driven this mega bubble, this mega cycle that we've been in, that we are now deleveraging from. And more specifically, you had $1 trillion or more pumped into the markets from March 2020 on. So you need to understand that and understand why these assets have inflated like they have been, why these companies are valued where they are, and what the real fair value of these companies and the assets are. And when you see insiders selling at a more rapid pace than ever in the history of the stock market, there's a reason for that. They know their own companies are overvalued. So again, you need to know the top and understand that. And, for a lot of people, it could make sense, in cryptos and things like that they believe in, to hold for the long term. But there's nothing wrong with selling at a peak, buying more. So if you're a Bitcoin believer, what do you want to do? You want to accumulate more Bitcoin. If your resources are limited, well, then you sell a portion at the top, you buy back in at the bottom. You sell at the top, you buy back in the bottom. So those highs and lows, so you can accumulate more. And even after taxes, that's a net gain at the end of the day, depending on what country you're in and how your tax situation works out. So, I mean, those are the types of things you really need to be thinking about. Stuff just doesn't always go up forever. Technologies get replaced, become extinct. And we've seen it over time. And, we've got a lot of things changing. It's a very, rapidly moving environment in a lot of ways with technology, with, the way we live, the way we work, especially over the last, couple of years. So, a lot of these things that we're investing in now that have these huge multiples. I mean, there's a lot of zombie companies out there have these huge multiples that aren't earning any money. The only reason the valuations ended up where they were was because the investment banks could get money for nothing, to take these companies public and invest in them. And, so you're starting to see a lot of the deflation there. So the companies that don't have revenues are going to suffer the most. You're seeing good, solid, big companies that have revenues that are going to draw down back to what a real fair value, a real valuation should be based on the interest rate environment. And, the other thing you can watch too is when you see all of the fund managers like on a CNBC or a Bloomberg or Fox Business come out and talk about valuations and market upside potential. And when they say things like these valuations make sense at today's interest rates with the monetary policy that we're currently seeing from the Fed, when you hear investment managers say, yes, we've got more upside because of these reasons, then you need to understand what they're really saying. As soon as those reasons stop, well, then you're going to see a drawdown. And that's what we've been seeing. So where's the floor? Where's the bottom? Different stocks, different companies are going to have different drawdowns back to a normal valuation and ratio of earnings where they should be. We're seeing multiples in equity capital, diminish where those things were just going through the roof, where you would normally see a 5 or 8 multiple on EBITDA for a company. Some of those got driven up to 20. Which is just unheard of. So those are the things you just need to be on the watch for and be on the lookout for. And then the real question is, like when it comes to crypto, Bitcoin, things like that, right now we know where our floor is. In the worst case scenario, it was $4,000 back in March of 2020. And we know where our ceiling is, $69,000. So right now we know that those are two real values that people are willing to buy in at in the worst case scenario and sell at when we've reached a peak. So until we breach 69 and get beyond that, and unless we drop below, 4,000, that's your floor and your ceiling. So anywhere in between is where you make your money, and there's a lot of moves in there. So we don't know for sure how far, assets will go. How much is Bitcoin going to be worth ultimately? There's projections of 100, 500, $1 million. Kathy Wood came out the other day and said $1 million. When an individual like that comes out and says something like that over 8 to 10 years, what do you think the real motivation behind it is? Well, she makes her money off people putting money with her. And you can say anything's going to go up in 5 years or 10 years, and that's easy. And we've seen it over the last, since 2008, 9, it's just been straight up pretty much in all asset classes with a little bit of peak and valley here and there. So those are the things that I look at when I'm, determining how much capital I'm going to deploy, where I'm going to deploy it, what I'm going to invest it in, things like that. You need to understand where's your ceiling, where's your floor, what did it trade for previously, where has it gone, recently, and where do you feel comfortable in that scenario? And, like I said, let's take Bitcoin for an example. I mean, a year and a half ago at the bottom of the pandemic, or 2 years ago, it was $4,000. Previously before that, 20,000 was a ceiling. And it took QE to get it to 69,000. And as we've seen, it has great fundamentals, great technology. It's not going anywhere. I think it's going to be here to stay for the long term. The question is at what level? But what I think we've all seen is, a lot of the on-chain metrics that you see, a lot of the hype out there around the asset, it drew down just like the stocks. It's still a risk asset at the end of the day. A lot of people don't want to hear that, but it just is what it is. It's a volatile.
Greg, it's great talking to you. We've got so many questions now coming in from my family of traders and members. We'll take a short break right now. We'll come back to you because what we're going to do now is on a Friday, we give away some cash. Now, and you're going to laugh at this. I know you are, because I only got monetized on my channel a few weeks ago. And at the moment, everyone knows I earn a couple of bucks a day. I've sat here for 6 months for free, building up my channel every day, streaming. And I'm trying to get to giving everybody $1,000 away. I said I'll do that when I get 100,000 subscribers. But right now, it's a $10 cash giveaway we do every week. It's a bit of fun. It's engaging. So what we're going to do now is we go to our cash giveaway. We're going to also put up your link to your channel. So I want all my members right now to subscribe to Greg's channel. Go and support him. And I'm getting great comments here. This is really interesting, really informative. We love to hear him speak. John Brunette, our friend from Canada, who's been with us every single day since the beginning, says he should be a regular on the show. You have an open invitation, of course, Greg. He's a very busy man, but that's up to you, Greg. Of course, we'd love to have you on the show again. So what we're going to do now is take a short break. Everyone's got the link in the chat. If you'd like to become a member right now, that's the only way that you can be in the cash giveaway. It's a bit of fun we do for all our members. Here is the invitation to everybody. Oh, we're getting more subscribers popping up as we go. This is fantastic. Now, as we do have such a special show today, after the cash giveaway, just a couple of minutes, we're going to come back to Greg, and then what we're going to do is we're going to finish with Greg, and then I've already had lots of requests. You want to hear me sing my debut single. I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. And I have a single, my own single, and I'm going to sing it for you in the show. So we're going to be right back with Greg in a couple of minutes. We're going to answer your questions. Greg, stick with us. Everyone's loving what you're doing today. Absolutely brilliant. We'll be right back with Greg in just a couple. They're already subbing to you. Wonderful stuff. Great. Okay. The stocks are up, as you can see. Everything is now doing great this morning. Listening to Greg, how informative is this guy? How well does he speak and deliver his message? We love it. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. We absolutely love it. All right, as someone said, hit subscribe and ring the bell. We are a new young channel. We need your support. Smash the like. Our all-time record was 53. Right, now then, it's our cash giveaway. We do it every Friday. It's a bit of fun, but what we have to do is get the chat rate up. This will take just a couple of minutes time. We've got to be very, very quick because I want to get Greg back in on the show. Right, there is the chat rate right now. We're at 4. See the chat rate? The chat rate has to go, for the cash giveaway today, it has to go up to, where is it? It is up to, let me just have a look. I just lost it. It went up to the record, 86. Right, so copy and paste, go, 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 go. Say great stuff about our guest. Let's say sub Greg. We love Greg. I don't care what you do, as long as it's good, positive energy. Throw it in the chat, blow it up. We need a chat rate of above the record, which is standing, I just said it to you now, I've forgotten, my brain is fried this morning, is, what did I say it was? 86, right, need a chat rate of 87, okay. This is going to be where we're doing the giveaway. Let me go into it right now. This is where it is. If you are a member, you will be here. This is it here. We'll have a bit of fun. We've got 29 members. You can still become a member if you want to be in our bit of fun. We do it every Friday. The day is coming when we have 100. I'm telling you what, I'm going to race Greg to 100,000 subscribers. Greg is at 35,000. We're at 2. All right. So we've got a long way to go, but we gain a follower every 3 minutes on TikTok. If that counts, a lot of our members come from TikTok. Anyway, let's have a race, me and Greg, to 100,000. When I get to 100,000, I'm going to give it away $1,000 in the cash prize. But today it's just $10 because I only make $2 a day. All right. We got more subscribers coming in. Okay, great. Let me smash the like button now. Here is the raffle. We're getting ready to do it. If you want to become a member, you can, and I will give you. Here is the member join link. If you join here, I will add you as a member right now, and you'll be in the cash draw. Here it is in the live chat now. If you want any of those free giveaways, we've got loads of giveaways. As brokerages give me stuff to give away, sponsors give me stuff to give away. I'm going to give you what they give me. There is the all links button. If you become a silver member, you get a free concert on your birthday. You have a free fundraiser concert. If you wanted to have a party on your birthday or a fundraiser concert, you can have all of that for free as a silver member. There's the invitation to join. Okay, it's in the live chat for you right now. There it is. And lots of other benefits as perks, special exclusive video content. Whoa, everybody stop. 140. I saw it go to 140. We absolutely smashed it. All right. There's the invitation to join. If anyone else joins, I will add you. Right, stop everybody. We don't want to make it too hard for the next week, because next week we haven't got Greg on the show, and we won't have it quite so high. So let me update the chat rate. It's 140. Oh my gosh, how are we going to beat that next week? That's a big. It's going higher, but I stopped it at 140. All right, stop it. Right, we got 52 likes. All right, let me go now. ready? Is everybody ready to go? Okay, it's raffle time. That was fun. We have a lot of fun. We do. We need one more like for the record, and then we're gonna do the raffle, right? So the record is 140. You can slow down now. There you go. Smash the like button, everybody. I need one more like to get to 54, the record. I'm sure it will come. Let's do the raffle. Right. It's members only. You have to be here. And if you're not, we'll run it again. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. We've got nobody else joined. We're going to count down from 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. That's it. If you become a member now, you'll be in next week's show. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's clear the tickers. Let's clear the overlays, and let's have a bit of fun with it. All right, the day is coming when we give away $1,000, but today it's just 10. It's just for fun and giggles. All right. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Let's go. Start the raffle. Are you ready? Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Your name is in there for all the members, and here we go. Here we go. Who's going to be our first winner today? You have to be here. The first, KK2. I don't think KK2 is in the chat. Going to give you 10 seconds. Is KK2 in the chat? I don't think you are. KK2 is a member. Someone message KK2 and say you won, but you weren't here. Let's go again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Let's go again. Who's going to be now next winner? All right, KK. Are you here? No, they're not here. DS Cal, that's a new member, only joined a couple of days ago. Going to give you 10 seconds. What is this he? What is this he? What's going on? We've got Greg Dickerson in the green room waiting to come back on again. He's in the green room. I'll show you. Right, here we go. $10. It's a bit of fun. It's what we do every day. What we do on a Friday, right? No, he's not here. Let's go again. It's soon going to be $1,000 giveaway. It's about community. It's not about the amount of money. Caden Youngquist, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jellybean, you're not a member. You didn't join as a member. That's why you're not in the list. All right? Go again. You've got to be here today. You've got to be a member, and you've got to be in. The winner is Hairy Bold Hulk. I know he's not here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's Greg Dickerson. Stand by, Greg. He's in the green room waiting for us. There he is. Look, he's waiting to come back and join us. You enjoying the cash giveaway, mate? It's going to be $1,000 one day. All right, let's go back to it again. Here we go. One final time. Let's see if we get a winner now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. And here it is. Who's it going to be? The Queen of Self-Braiding. I've not seen her today. She's not here either. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. This is great, isn't it? The Vapors Guide. Is Vapors Guide here? I saw Vapors Guide earlier. You got 10 seconds. Vapors Guide is here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you here? We've got more subscribers, more people joining. No, this is fun. Jelly Bean loves it. That's one of Greg Dickerson's friends and family. There we go. No, not here. Go again. And here we go. The next one is, we're going to get a winner now. We must do. We've only got 29 members. Martyn Redding. Is Martyn Redding here? Oh, Vapors Guide. Let's stop it. Vapors Guide was here. Vapors Guide wins. Let's finish. Vapors Guide. There you go. Vapors Guide, you are here. Congratulations. Great stuff. You win. Vapors Guide, you have my cell phone. Here it is. Vapors Guide. I'm going to give it to you right now. Here it is. Vapors. Here's my cell number. Text me and I will send you the money via crypto giving on Robinhood. If you don't have that, I will send you Apple Pay. If you don't have that, I will send you Android. If you don't have that, I will send it to you via crypto.com. One way or another, you get your price. Congratulations. Fantastic. That was awesome. There we go. Vapors. Let's go right back now to Greg. Look at the trades right now. Everything is up, as you can see. Tesla, I'm not going to sell it right now. I'm going to hold that. And we'll ask Greg about that in a minute. Should I be holding this? I'm up now nearly 1%. 6 times is a charm. I can't believe it took six goes. Let's bring up the tickers back once again. Here we go. Bring up the ticker. If you want to be a member and be part of our family, as a silver member, you get happy birthday from me, World Piano Man, on your birthday. If you're a silver member, you also get a concert. Bill has decided that he wants his concert next week for a fundraiser to make him some money, to raise money for his scooter he so desperately needs. He's a war veteran who can't get out of his home right now. He needs a new scooter. So he's doing his gig, his event. Send it to Bill. Look at that. He wants me to donate it to Bill's cause. There we go, Bill. I will send you that money in a moment at the end of the show. Right, one final thing very quickly before we go back to Greg, who's patiently waiting in the green room, is this. Very, very important. As you all know, what we're all about here is supporting and growing everyone's finances, everyone's friends, online content, and all of it. This is my YouTube channel. This is the homepage. These are all my silver, gold members and sponsor members. I can't bring them all up now in the live chat, but what I want to do is ask all our guests today. It's why they support my channel. Other than the fans and the friends and company they get, these are all our YouTubers. Some small, some large. I can't put all their links on the screen, but I would like you to go and on our homepage of our YouTube channel and subscribe to our guys. We'd love you to support them. There's Bill, our war veteran with 51 subscribers. He loves every day he gets another subscriber. It makes his day. It makes all the difference. All right, so there you go. Fantastic. That's it. Let's go over now once again to our star guest, Greg Dickerson. And you might just see now our ad turn up. Just you can click skip ad. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. If you saw the ad, click skip. We're now going to go right back to our star guest, Greg Dickerson. He's live in the chat with us. Right, there we go. There we go, Greg. A bit of a crazy moment there for our cash giveaway. It's only $10, but our team love it. It's a bit of fun and engagement. Welcome back, Greg. I think you're muted, right? I'm going to unmute you. There you go. I've unmuted you.
There we go. Yeah, I thought it was on mute. One thing I want to say real quick before and I've got 15 minutes and I got to go.
Okay.
11:30 is my hard stop. But the thing that I want to tell everybody is don't get discouraged right now. You're in a down market. It's very different trading a downtrend than it is trading a bull market uptrend. So that's the key differentiation I was trying to make. You want to buy the dips, sell the rips in a down market until we know we've reached bottom, we've reached fair value, then we're back off to a bull market again. We're not there yet, but very different. So this is not the time to dollar cost average on the down slope. You buy the dip, you become the dip in a bear market. You buy the dip, you become the rip in a bull market. Remember that.
That's a great way of putting it. Isn't that a great way of putting it? Right, we got some questions here in the chat. I'm going to scroll up. We had some great questions, and I'm sorry the chat went a bit crazy then, so I can't see everyone's comments, but I'll do my best. Mike want to ask Greg if he thinks the residential market could face another bubble crash. That's from Mike.
Yeah, so it's a very different time now than it was in 08, 09. The key to the real estate market is, and it's hyper local. So every little, city, neighborhood, street, and position on the street is different in every market, right? But at the end of the day, the average real estate market is all about interest rates and payments. So people are buying payments. The lower the rates, the more house they can afford. So as rates tick up, the values of these properties are going to fall. So it all depends on how fast rates rise. And that was one of the catalysts to the, housing collapse in 2008 and 9, where interest rates went up. There was a lot of short-term interest only. There were a lot of bad loans out there, so it was taking the banks down. So as far as a crash goes, our environment's very different. Back then we had a ton of inventory. Right now we don't. So with the pandemic, that's created a lack of supply. So very different economic cycle. But yes, you are going to see values start to dip. You're going to see buyers stepping out of the market as prices go up because they can't afford as much house. Takes a little bit of time generally, depending on how bad the stock market gets. If we do get a crash, which we're not there yet, we're just deleveraging and we're taking profits. But if it does crash 30, 40, 50% before the Fed steps in, real estate generally lags that by 6 months to a year.
Okay. Thank you for that. I hope that answers your question, Mike. I think that was very concise. Alex Hunt, one of our only sponsor right now. He sponsored the channel, and thank you for Alex for being such a loyal member of our family. Alex Hunt asked a question: when interest rates shoot up to say 7%, and everyone tries to sell their houses, how does that affect your portfolio regards negative equity and people not being able to pay their rent?
Okay, so in the United States, I don't know that we'll see 7% interest rates again, because the Fed and the government has borrowed so much money in treasuries that they can't afford that, to sustain, they wouldn't be able to pay the debt payments. But I'm not quite sure what he's saying there. If rates go up, values come down, you'll lose equity in your house, and that a lot of times will trigger, strategic defaults where people will just walk away if they don't have a lot of money at risk, down payment at risk, and they have lost a lot of value in the houses. That's one of the things that happened in 08, 09. People were getting into loans without having to put a lot of money down, and when the values dropped, they just walked away because they didn't have any money tied up. Now people have 20, 30% down on these houses. They're longer term mortgages for the most part, so it's different there. If you're asking how interest rates can affect your portfolio, it's the same effect. As interest rates go up, the cost of money goes up, and that, as people lose their wealth overall, that eliminates their ability to spend, which stimulates the economy, which keeps asset prices high, which keeps earnings up. So as rates go up, all that declines, earnings come down, prices come down, values come down, your portfolio goes down.
Okay. Muzanella, our biggest trader, he does hundreds of contracts at a time, one of our biggest traders here, along with Abdullah. We have, it blows my mind sometimes, we have a sheikh from Saudi Arabia who invests hundreds of thousands at a time. We have Muzanella, and they say to me, Martyn, we know you're not a financial expert. You're not. I'm not a financial. I'm an entertainer. I'm a musician, right? But we love the community, and we love the way you bring things together. So I'm honoured by that we have such big people like that. Now, Muzanella, I mentioned him because he did pose a question. So please, Muzanella, would you repost it in all that crazy stuff, which was great for the channel? We lost your comment. So you had a question, a very important question for Greg, and I'd like you to repost it in the chat, and I'll grab it and I'll re-put that to Greg. We are running out of time. As you hear, we have to respect Greg's time. So one thing I wanted to say, a lot of my followers on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and so on, very, very small YouTubers, and they want to ask you as a YouTuber, right? And I think you see, if you look at, I know all of you, I think all of you subscribed to Greg's channel this morning, you will see Greg has a different style to myself. He's not all about the production and the lights and all the rest of it. He's just about delivering the message, the information. So the reason why I say this is you can have a very successful YouTube channel, which does very, very well and reaches a lot of people. Just pick up your phone, pick up your camera, and if you have a message, and broadcast the world. It's all about commitment, dedication, serving a good message, and keep doing it. And what would you say is your secret? You've grown so well, and most of your videos are just picking up the phone. I see you driving your car sometimes, and you have such a great response. It encourages people, because not everyone can afford a production type show. They may only have a phone. And there's a few people today watching thinking, I can't afford all this. What's your secret sauce, do you think, to growing your channel?
So I love your background and what you're doing, the studio and all that. And, again, that was more for your musical thing than the YouTube thing. But the opposite is true today. So less production, more raw, real, and people just want the information. So you have to provide value. If you have a title, come out with what that is. So, Bitcoin's going to hit 30,000. Then that's how you start the video. That's what you talk about. People are coming to you for a reason. They're looking for information. They're looking for advice, inspiration. YouTube is a search engine, just like Google, where people are looking for things. And, so I talk about entrepreneurship, investing, real estate, buying companies, stocks, not so much stocks, but the stock market, macro environment, cryptos, things like that. So really, I'll be out and about and something will hit me and I'm like, I want to share this thought. Brilliant. So I'm just trying to share wisdom in the lessons that I've learned over the years that I've gained doing all kinds of different deals as starting out as a very small business, business guy. I was a remodeling handyman contractor. I started that business with absolutely nothing. My first year in sales was $250,000. I built that into a $30 million company over 7 years, started 12 other companies at the same time, along the way, sold them all off, reinvested in more real estate, and started doing bigger and bigger deals. So, I look at things a little bit differently because I've got so many different experiences. I've been involved in so many different companies. I am now. I coach and mentor people all over the world. So YouTube has changed. The game has changed. So, people's attention spans are changed. So you want to keep it short, to the point, provide value, and, don't expect anything in return. That's the key. Serve first, and then everything else will be given to you. Zig Ziglar, coined it years ago. One of my favorite, influencers, writers, speakers over the years that I've studied. If you help enough other people get what they want, you will ultimately get what you want. I don't do what I do for that reason.
Yeah.
Love to give. That's just how I'm wired.
Yeah.
And, I've just got such a unique, diverse background of experiences in the different businesses, ventures, deals that I've been involved in. I just look at things very differently. So, people really like that. But there's other people that are highly produced, Mr. Beast and, some of the big mega YouTubers that have, millions of followers, they're a huge production, and there's value there and that. So it's just different things, different niches, things work for different people. The key is be yourself, be authentic, and, don't have ulterior motives, and provide value.
Absolutely, I agree with all that, and it's you got to do what's right for you. If you don't enjoy what you do, and I love the production, it's what I'm about, and so on. And everyone, the reason why I wanted to ask that question, because I wanted to encourage people who say I can't afford a Neumann microphone. You don't need it. My singing microphone is like a $4,000 microphone. No one benefits from that over YouTube because it's compressed.
There's my microphone.
And you sound fine. Exactly. So if you want to be like Greg, or you want to be like me, we're very different style of shows. You can do it your own way. But like Greg said, it's all about the message. It's all about short and sweet, get to the point. But do what makes you happy. If you don't like doing it Greg's way, and you get bored of doing it, see, I'd get bored of doing it. I want the bells and whistles. That's me, right? Then I wouldn't produce. I wouldn't do anything. No one would watch, my channel would die. If on the other hand you like waking up and walking into a studio and smoke and lights and whatever, then that makes you happy and it makes you create, then that's good for you. But just remember, you don't have to have money to blow it up. You can do it any way you like. One quick question, now you got to go. Muzella, he did come back in, our biggest trader. What are your thoughts on zombie banks and Terra Luna?
So, zombie banks, like zombie companies or institutions that are unprofitable, that are being propped up by liquidity. And, we're going to see some banks fail. We're going to see some companies fail. Terra Luna, it's just like anything else. I can look at it right now. A lot of these cryptos are short-term gain opportunities. You need to really look at, what is it doing? What problem is it solving? And, where did it come from? So right now I see it, at a critical market structure level. Terra Luna was trading at, $4 back in May of 2021, and it pumped all the way up to, $100. Now we're back down to 49. So that's what you need to look at, is that before the liquidity pump, it was trading at $4. So is Luna the type of thing that is going to, sustain this value and come back? Again, most of these coins like this are going to draw down 90% before it's over. Luna is at 50%. So you could see another 30, 40% downside. Is it going to be long-term? I haven't studied Luna and what they're doing, but I can look at the price action and tell you it's on its way down. The question is, will it make it through this key structural support anywhere from about $23 to $26, into that $45 range? It's got a lot of support there to get through, but if it gets through that, it could go right back where it came from at $4, sit there for a while, and then, it could be off to the races again.
There we go. Hope that answers your question. I want to be respectful of Greg's time. I know he's coming to the end. So we are about to do something special. I've had a number of requests, text in and Twitter and different places that we broadcast to. Because when I go out live, Greg, I'm on 20 different platforms all at once. YouTube is just one place. I'm actually on TikTok. That's why this phone is sitting here aiming at the screen. I haven't got the RTMP for TikTok, so I have to go from my phone filming the screen. Anyway, so I've had a request to sing my debut single. If you are a fan of Elton John, I toured with Elton years ago, the world piano man. I will go back to the studio now and sing a song. Now, Greg, I want to thank you enormously. We actually gained 31 subscribers during our show, and I think they're all your family, your friends and subscribers. So we thank you for that. I know that's a small number to you, but to us, in one day, 31 subscribers, our members and myself are very excited about it. We love it. Thank you very much. As a gift to you, when it should be your birthday, please do just pop in. You don't have to become a member. You're an honorary member as a guest. Just pop on in, say, hi, I'm Greg, it's my birthday. And everyone will blow up the channel for you. They're so engaging. I will go to the piano and sing you happy birthday, and we'll have some fun. So if you have a family member you'd like to dedicate that to and donate that to, maybe your wife you'd like a happy birthday, whatever, please do pop by and we'll do it. And as of course, an open invitation to you to return whenever you like, and anything we can ever do to you, anything we can do for you, we'd gladly do it. Greg, thank you ever so much for being a guest on our channel.
Thank you for having me. I enjoyed it. I appreciate it. And I'll tell you what, I'm a coach mentor. I like to challenge people, and I want to challenge your community. They're a great community. You need to get this channel, you need to get Martyn up to 5,000 subscribers, and I will come back. As soon as you hit 5,000 subscribers, I am back. And I'll give you 1 hour. So get him to 5,000, share his channel, tell everybody you know, and you'll get me back for an hour.
There you go. I love it. Nice one. Go to Greg's channel now. Everyone subscribe. Below this actual video, I put Greg's channel. I put his course, his education course he does. There's loads of stuff. I want everyone to follow, tag, post, promote, get involved. I think you agree. Greg is the real deal. He's not one of those YouTubers that comes out with a lot of nonsense. We've learned lots of great stuff from Greg. Very well presented. Thank you ever so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Thanks everyone that followed us. I hope we answered your questions. Greg, thanks ever so much. We're going to carry on with the show. We're not ended, but we're going to say goodbye to Greg. Cheers, Greg. Thanks ever so much indeed. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
There we go. That was Greg, everybody. Absolutely wonderful. What a great guy. He's got to rush off now and do his thing. So that was brilliant. We learned a lot there from Greg today. Look at the stocks today. Right, if you're live with me right now, do you want to hear my own song? Would you like me to go back to the studio behind me? And if anyone... can you believe it? 5,000 subscribers, he's back. 5,000 subscribers, he's back. Flipping heck, everybody. Help me grow. Share, tag, post. Let's get Greg back tomorrow. Let's get 3,000 subscribers. Now, listen, folks, I'm not going to be here tonight for the closing bell, because I've got an in-person gig. I'll be back on Monday, same time, same place. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, subscribe. We got 57 likes, all-time record. We broke the record. Thank you ever so much to everyone. Brilliant stuff. If you want to get any of those, if you'd like my music channel, this is it now. If you want to hear me sing more, here it is. I'll show you the actual channel. It's the Martyn Lucas channel. It's on the homepage of my YouTube channel and where we are right now. If you look below on this channel, you'll see it. I put it in the chat for you. You can go and subscribe to that and hear all the songs I did and toured the world for 37 years. All right. So what we're going to do now, if everyone blows up the chat, if anyone's watching right now, if you are a guest, and think of it as a piano bar, if you want to go in the super chat, you can. This is what happens if you go in the super chat and leave a tip for a song. This is what happens. By the way, today, Vapor's Guide is donating his winnings to Bill. Bill, I'm going to go online shortly and give you your $10 via Vapor's Guide. And I hope everyone followed our other YouTubers who are on our homepage, okay? So there we go. If you become a member, that's what happens. If you become a subscriber, that's what happens. Here is the all links button. Today we set a new score, 140 on the chat rate. Is there anything I haven't covered for everybody before I go and do the song? Here's the all links button. Let me give everybody the all links button for all the social media. If you are a member and you follow me and tell me that you're a member, so I know it's you, I will check your account, make sure you are a member, and then I will follow you back, comment, tag you in all the viral posts to promote all the things that you're doing. Here's the invitation to join. All right, I'm going to wind up the show now. I have to get off. I've got an in-person gig tonight, so we're going to finish up now with my own song. If we get the chat to blow up, that's what I'm going to do. All right. So here we go. I got a super chat from Mark Korn. There we go. It's already started. There we go. Right. Okay, let's go over now to the live part of the studio to finish up the show, celebrate today's show. There we go. We got super chat coming in. Awesome stuff. Let me clear the main ticker. In fact, no, you're not cheap at all, mate. I appreciate it. Right, I'm going to finish up with this. This is one of my own songs. Thank you ever so much for being here. I'll see you all back on Monday, of course. This is it. If you want to blow up the chat now and during this become a member or a super chat, it'll pop up on the screen and it'll blow up the channel. I'll see you all back on Monday for the opening bell. What a great day. All the markets are up. We're making money. What a great guest he was. I will go over there now, finish the song, and thank you, everybody. Here we go. All right. So I'm going over here now. Okay. Turn this light off. So we're all live right now. Here we go. Okay, let's see what happens now. There we go. Fantastic. So now we're in the piano man's hat. I got to change the style of things just a little bit. So here we go. We all good to go? I think we just about are. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, know what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember many years ago, it started here, playing my songs to the likes of you. I traveled all over the world. I played in every major capital too. As I traveled so far and wide, I found a wife, I made a family. Those days are gone now, I'm home alone again, starting over, trying to make things right. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there to share my life, yeah? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, know what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember when I was 4 years old, I used to play piano beside my dad. When I was sad, when I was glad, my music never let me down. This is my commitment I'm looking for, love to last the rest of my life. People judge me before they know me. They have never been inside my home. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me? Oh, to love me for what I am, know what I appear to be. Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me? Oh, to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be. I guess not. I'll have my music and my song. Well, there we go. That's the end of our best ever day here on The Day Trader. We managed to start the day by selling Apple last night as it went up. We ended up buying the dip of Tesla this morning. It's shooting right back up again now. I've not sold it yet. Hood, we bought when it was down. It popped back up. I made a profit, took that and bought some more Tesla. Things are all popping up right now. We learned a lot today. Our very first star guest, Greg Dickerson, was on the show. Absolutely awesome stuff. Fantastic. Love that. Really great. Our very first guest. And you heard what he said. When I get to 5,000 subscribers, he'll be back for an hour special. Can you believe that? Fantastic. All of you subscribe to him. That's brilliant. I love it. And I think we gained 30 subscribers today from Greg. For us, that's huge. The cash giveaway couldn't have been better. It went through like 7 people and ended up going to Vapor's Guide, who donated it to Bill. Wonderful. All of you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, I hope all of you got subscribers. I hope all of you got friends. I hope all of you learned and had fun with Greg Dickerson. What a great time we had. Absolutely superb. Thank you for setting a new all-time record for the chat. So for next Friday, you've got a big chat. You've got a big challenge to beat now. So that was great. I stopped it as low as I could because it kept on going, but I stopped it as low as I could. But that's it from me. There is no closing bell today. I've got to get set for a in-person gig this afternoon. This evening, I'm doing 2 nights sellout in a theatre. So I'll be back with you Monday morning. Thank you very much for being here. You know what happens now? All it leaves me to say is thank you. Thanks to Greg, our star guest today. I'm so excited. I could just sit here all day because I'm just watching it blow up and it's absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much indeed. Take care of yourselves and each other.